What good has happened in our football in the last 10 years?
I don't think there's been any good.
Your teams went to these 4 tournaments, but उसमें एक criticism भी निकल के आई है या cynicism कह लो कि लोग कह रहे हैं यार कुछ तो गड़बड़ है.
People who know football
हाँ.
should ask this question. There is something
Correct.
wrong. What's the point of producing internationals when they are actually shit in the international level? So then it became something else. Then it became 2020 World Cup 2034. 200 boys on 100% scholarship, which were for 10 years. So I didn't sign contract with the boys. I signed contract with the parents. When the boy scores, nobody celebrates. They go and pick the ball. Punjab FC
को बेचा पैसे के लिए.
हाँ, मैं दिल्ली FC को भी बेचने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ.
What was the mindset?
I was under,
बाहर खेल.
I was under debt of 3.5 CR.
If I were to ask you कि अगले 15 साल में 10 साल में थोड़ा रीजनेबल स्ट्रक्चर बिल्ड करना है जहाँ सस्टेनेबल हो.
Very easy. You require around 20 CR, not more, to have a great league organized and put on TV.
By what will you say to people who say कि रंजीत बजाज बोलते हैं पर खुद एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन में क्यों नहीं आ रहे?
हाँ, because administration में ये भरे हुए हैं. There's no better partner than Reliance and FSDL to be our marketing and commercial partners, but not our owners. See, point is ये इसमें है घरे बह के मारियां नहीं गल्ला. I don't just sit and talk at home.
मैं आपसे ना सबसे टफ सवाल से शुरू करूंगा.
Yes.
What good has happened in our football in the last 10 years?
In the last 10 years, I don't think there's been any good.
If you are आपके सर पे बंदूक पड़ी हुई है, आपको 3 अच्छी चीजें बतानी है.
Okay, so we scored our first ever goal in the World Cup, and at least we started. I'm talking about the boys under 17.
Under 17, number 1.
Yep, guaranteed by far the best moment in the last decade of Indian football. Then
वो decade भी खत्म होने वाला है.
decade खत्म होने वाला. Other than that, then the 3 titles we won under Igor Stimac. I think people really underestimate that because winning a treble in a year for a country, clubs के लिए सुना है, country के लिए जीतना और वो भी ऐसी country से जहाँ पे हम पहले नहीं जीत सके थे, and then doing it and playing good football. By the way, if you looked at our football when we were playing there, I loved watching it. It was good football. And somehow the same boys are now losing to the same teams. So it's not the boys which was the problem, but we'll come to that later. So that was
number 2.
Number 2 in this, because I'll tell you why it was number 2. For the first time I saw in a stadium in Bangalore, or we went to Imphal, or we went, I think Hyderabad. Numbers came out in huge numbers.
मतलब fan sentiment was.
ये अब क्यों हुआ? पहले क्यों नहीं होता था? पहले इंडिया टीम खेलती थी, कहीं नहीं आते थे, क्योंकि इंडियंस लव विनर्स. Indians don't like to go and support losers, man.
नहीं, नॉर्मल हम हीरो वर्शिप करते हैं, विनिंग हो, जहाँ नेशनल टीम सेंटिमेंट,
जहाँ जीतेंगे नहीं बात बनती ना. तो हम जीते, and you saw the kind of love and emotion which came out, and singing "Maa Tujhe Salam" in Bangalore, the goosebumps which I got there. Then having cricket fans follow that in the cricket match, that showed how powerful that thing was, and that can only come in a football stadium. And we showed that Indian football fans really care for their nation, which we saw earlier. When we were losing and not doing well, Sunil Chetri had to actually come out and haath jod ke aaja bhai. Nobody came and did that. They filled the stadium themselves this time because we were winning, we were doing well. And if you say the third thing, I would say the third thing would be right now what we did. That would actually be the silver lining. Why? Because it's light at the end of the tunnel, because of not what we have done now, but what because of this we can do now in the future. So if we now follow this up with a great performance in the MIC Cup against teams like Barcelona, Real Madrid, Atletico Madrid, Arsenal, Manchester United, then this would actually outrank the other 2 as well.
Correct.
Why? Because then some of these boys will be picked up by those teams. Then the moment we have the first Indian, दैट्स द 1983 मोमेंट बाय द वे।
वो गेम चेंजर है
वो
पूरा।
गेम एक बार हमारा एक लड़का चला गया ना, दैट फ्लड गेट्स विल ओपन, ऑल इंडियंस विल बिलीव कि हाँ यार हमारा खून है, वी कैन ही कैन डू इट, सो वी कैन डू इट।
करेक्ट। तो एक्चुअली मेरे को पहले तो स्ट्रक्चर और आईएसएल की बात करनी थी, बट नाउ दैट यू पिक दिस थर्ड मोमेंट, तो थर्ड मोमेंट की बात करते हैं। सो पिछले 1 महीने में मैंने कम से कम 10,000 वीडियोस देखे होंगे। आपने बेसिकली योर टीम्स वेंट टू दीज 4 टूर्नामेंट्स, जहां आप डेना कप, गोथिया कप ये जीत के आए, और ना कि जीत के आए, स्मैश्ड द ऑपोजिशन, स्मैश्ड 10 गोल 15 गोल, पता नहीं, मतलब क्रेजी स्टैट्स, राइट? नाउ फॉर मी एज अ फैन ऑफ इंडियन फुटबॉल, मतलब मेरे को फॉरगेट अ क्लब, फॉरगेट लीग में क्या प्रॉब्लम है, इसमें आईएसएल में क्या प्रॉब्लम है, आईएफए में क्या इश्यूज हैं, देयर इज लव फॉर इंडियन फुटबॉल, ठीक है?
ऑब्वियसली
उसमें 2 चीजें जम्प्ड आउट टू मी। नंबर 1, obviously the fact that our boys won, and that too thumping victories, ठीक है? And number 2 was how you were so close to your boys and how you were motivating them, and there were lots of videos emerging. But उसमें एक क्रिटिसिज्म भी निकल के आई है, या सिनिसिज्म कह लो, कि लोग कह रहे हैं यार कुछ तो गड़बड़ है, ठीक है? नाउ गड़बड़ क्या क्या है कि कई लोग बोल रहे हैं अरे यार हमारे प्लेयर्स बड़े थे, कई लोग बोल रहे
एक-एक करके
हैं, मैं आऊंगा, मैं एक-एक करके
हाँ,
आएंगे,
so
ठीक है?
we'll go to
मैं
that.
बताता हूँ कि
हाँ,
क्या क्या क्रिटिसिज्म है। फिर कई लोग बोल रहे हैं यार ये टूर्नामेंट की क्वालिटी है, कुछ पता नहीं थी क्या था, बकवास टूर्नामेंट है, व्हाटएवर, ऑल्दो दैट फ्रंट
No,
आई
no, no, we'll come to
हाँ,
that
विल
also.
कम टू
नहीं,
दैट
just
आल्सो।
just tell, अभी
हाँ,
पहले सिर्फ बात कर रहे हैं,
ठीक
then
है।
we'll come to that.
फिर देयर वाज अ क्रिटिसिज्म कि कैसे, जैसे सम पीपल डग डीपर, जैसे मैंने भी देखा रिसर्च कि डेना कप में देयर वाज अ 7 a side ऑप्शन एंड देयर वाज एन 11 a side ऑप्शन। योर टीम पार्टिसिपेटेड इन द 7 a side ऑप्शन, जिसमें कम टीमें थी, तो भाई ये सेम एज ग्रुप में अगर 11 a side था तो वो क्यों नहीं किया, ये क्रिटिसिज्म आ रहा है। और सिमिलरली गौथिया में कोई ऐसे अंडर 14 बी था या कुछ था, देयर सम क्वेश्चन।
नहीं, नहीं, so that's
हाँ,
again wrong. So
हाँ,
I'll clarify that. Yeah, okay.
तो
go
ये
on.
4-5 क्रिटिसिज्म आ रहे हैं,
Okay.
ठीक
So
है?
then first
तो मैं
एक-एक करके करते हैं.
अब अनफॉर्चुनेट बात क्या हो गई है ना, कि जो जो लोग फुटबॉल इकोसिस्टम में के बाहर हैं, वो तो बहुत बढ़िया देख रहे हैं वीडियोस, उनको अच्छा भी दिख रहा है। नॉन फुटबॉलिंग कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स ने ये बहुत कवर किया आपको, ठीक है? आई हैव सीन एंटरटेनमेंट क्रिएटर्स वो सेइंग बाकी सब छोड़ो, आप ये वीडियो देखो, हमारा एक बंदा है, वो जानते भी नहीं होंगे कि रंजीत
ओ
बजाज
यार,
कौन
उनको
है।
ना वो चकते वाला सीन मिल गया,
चकते
और
वाला
वो
सीन मिल
एक्चुअली
गया।
क्या हुआ कि वो सी बाय द वे, ये जो बाय द वे सारी वीडियोस वायरल गई हैं,
हाँ,
ये प्लान थोड़ा था।
हाँ, ऑब्वियसली
एंड
यार
और
सबको।
मुझे थोड़ा पता कि हम जाके ऐसे जूतेंगे और मैं बोलूंगा ठोकना है, और साले वो ठोकेंगे जाके
हाँ,
उसके बाद।
हाँ,
So this is not actually a movie and
हाँ,
scripted.
हाँ, but it
So
came
it
out like that.
happened, and that is why it went viral. Because
Correct.
see, if I had given that ठोकना है और वहां पे ठुक के आ रहे होते हम,
हाँ, तो फिर वो
15
वीडियो नहीं दिखाते
नहीं
ना
दिखाते
भाई।
वीडियो, ठीक है?
हाँ,
So it happened because all these things happened. Now
हम्म,
let's come to all of them, because I think all of them are very right.
हम्म।
They are. If I was in their place, I would also bring up the same
बस
questions.
मैं एक लास्ट बात ये बोलना चाहता
हाँ,
हूँ, द फैक्ट दैट द मार्जिन्स वर सो मैसिव,
मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ।
उस वजह से और डाउट क्रिएट हो गया
मैं
लोगों
बोल
के
रहा हूँ
दिमाग
कि
में।
बहुत अच्छी बात है, और ये मैं कह रहा हूँ कि if I was them, I would be asking the same thing.
भाई आप
Because
फुटबॉल
if
में
I
कहाँ
was-
देखते हो 8-0
भाई
6-0?
forget about
हाँ,
that. अगर मैं ब्राजील होता तब भी सोच सकता था कि ठीक है मेरी टीम जाके कर रही है,
हाँ,
इंडिया जाके ये कर रही है यूरोप कंट्रीज में, तो मैं सोचता कि हो क्या रहा है ये,
करेक्ट,
there is something wrong. People who know football
हाँ,
should ask this question, there is something
करेक्ट,
wrong.
कैसे हो रहा
और
है
ये हुआ क्या है, how has it happened?
हम्म।
So instead of just dismissing it that it cannot be right,
That's why मेरा
Yeah.
मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव ना
कि-
आपसे, देखो आपने जब जो आपकी जनरल फ्रस्ट्रेशन ऑफ इंडियन फुटबॉल है, दैट इज आउट देयर, राइट?
yes,
वो भी हम डिस्कस करेंगे, बट आई ऑल्सो वांट टू अंडरस्टैंड फ्रॉम यू कि you have taken this place of a maverick, and a lot of people have not questioned you who criticize you, and I want to
That's
take
the
a
whole
part of
point.
today's
that's
discussion
the whole point. भाई
to
you have
bring
to
their view also, जो
Because-
आपके critics हैं।
नहीं, बट वही पॉइंट है ना, क्रिटिक्स को दे कैन ईदर सिट होम एंड क्रिटिसाइज, और दे कैन एक्चुअली डिग डीपर एंड सी व्हाट द होल थिंग इज, बिकॉज जस्ट बिकॉज यू कांट बिलीव इट, होता है ना, इट्स टू गुड टू बी ट्रू,
करेक्ट।
वो होता है ना, दैट्स द थिंग इज हैपनिंग, इट्स टू गुड टू बी ट्रू। सो इतने बड़े, दैट्स व्हाट इंडियन फुटबॉल हैज डन टू ऑल ऑफ अस, कि हमारी
हाँ।
इतनी उन्होंने माइंड की एमटीएल दे दी है भाई,
कि कोई
ये
नहीं
हो ही
सकता।
नहीं सकता,
हाँ, ये हो ही नहीं
ये
सकता।
हम इंडिया हो ही नहीं सकता। देख तो सही वहां पे क्या
हाँ।
हो रहा है, हांगकांग से तो साले हार रहे हैं, ये कैसे हो सकता है?
हाँ, अब
So-
हुआ है तो डाउट आ रहा
हाँ,
है।
तो वो तो होएगा ही।
हाँ, चलो एक एक
अच्छा
करके लेते
सो
हैं।
नाउ सो
हाँ
फर्स्ट ये टूर्नामेंट्स क्यों, तो पहले दिस हैज टू कम विद अ स्टोरी, बैक स्टोरी, कि हमने व्हेन आई सोल्ड माय क्लब पंजाब एफसी टू राउंड ग्लास पंजाब, आई हैड आल्सो सोल्ड उस टाइम पे जब हमने इन्होंने क्लब मेरा खरीदा था 2018-19 में, आई वाज द अंडर 13 चैंपियन, अंडर 15 चैंपियन, अंडर 18 चैंपियन एंड आई लीग चैंपियन.
हम्म,
वी वर द ओनली क्लब इन हिस्ट्री टू होल्ड ऑल इंडियन फुटबॉल टाइटल्स टुगेदर.
हम्म,
उन्होंने जब खरीदा मेरे से और
हम्म,
इतने पैसे दिए,
हम्म,
कोई लैंड तो था नहीं,
हम्म,
कोई स्टेडियम तो था नहीं,
सिर्फ
प्लेयर
फिलोसफी के लिए
ना,
दिए।
प्लेयर्स के लिए.
हम्म,
सो मेरे जो अंडर 11 के प्लेयर्स थे जो आने थे 13 में, वो
हम्म,
प्लस अंडर 13 नेशनल चैंपियन टीम, अंडर
हम्म,
15 नेशनल चैंपियन टीम, अंडर 18 नेशनल चैंपियन टीम, 120 प्लेयर मैंने इनको जूनियर सारे के सारे ट्रांसफर किए जो मैंने ट्रेन किए थे. So
हम्म,
they had a batch which would now they are earning money. That means all the player compensation for people like Bikash Shumnam, for Harmi Pom, Vikram Pratap, Anwar Ali's, all player compensation award things are going to them. So they made a very very fucking good deal. टेकचम अभिषेक के 2 करोड़ तो अभी आ गए इनके पास. ऐसे करते करते हरमी पॉम, विकास, छोटे, तोयबा जो इन्होंने बेची है, मतलब दे मेड मच मोर एंड दे विद इन अ ईयर दे वर इन द ISL.
हम्म,
So they're 10 times that value.
हम्म,
But the money which I got, I was able to invest back into my academy.
फिर
And
एक सॉरी जस्ट साइड ट्रैक, जब आपने वो डील करी, यू हैड नो रिस्ट्रिक्शंस ऑन देन डूइंग
no,
अदर वर्क.
I had a non-compete clause with Punjab for 3 years. They said you can't compete with us in any competition.
ओके, बट यू कैन सेट अप योर ओन
Yeah, but
ग्रासरूट्स यूथ स्ट्रक्चर.
मेरा फिर लक इतना अच्छा, अगले साल कोविड हो गया.
कंपीट करने की जरूरत नहीं
तो
पड़ी.
2 साल तो 3 साल तो यूथ कॉम्पिटिशन हो ही नहीं.
हाँ.
और मैंने आई लीग में compete करना ही नहीं था इनसे, बिकॉज इवन इफ आई हैड टू गो टू द आई लीग, आई वुड हैव हैड टू बाय अ न्यू क्लब in the fourth division. It would taken me
हाँ
2 years to
2-3
get
साल
back.
तो
और
हाँ.
वही हुआ, मैंने
हम्म,
दिल्ली एफसी लिया फोर्थ
हम्म,
डिवीजन में, थर्ड डिवीजन, सेकंड डिवीजन,
हम्म.
एंड जब तक मैं आई लीग में पहुंचा उसी साल वो
वो आईएसएल चले गए,
अगले साल
तो
चले गए.
compete वाला बात
अगर
आ
मैं
गई.
चले जाता, I wouldn't have been able to compete, but it was
हम्म,
just good fortune. They went
हम्म,
and I was able to go in.
हम्म,
But those, I was able to not only make a life, it's not about selling those players. Those players have been 120 youth players were sent to a great academy setup, Punjab FC, who are taking care of those boys, who are making sure they're going to the next level. They are developing youth seriously. They are probably one of the only ISL clubs who are really focused on the youth.
हम्म.
And I did what I did do. I started from scratch. Why? Because I believed in myself and I said, ये fact, why have I named it the factory? Because factory है.
फैक्ट्री है.
मैंने बच्चे फिर से किए. इस बारी क्या किया? Because देखो भाई, पहले होता है कि when you not won titles ना, when you open a club or academy, you want to prove to the world that you're the best. Once you win a title once, or then you win it twice, 3 times, 4 times. Like under 15 हम 4 बार जीत चुके हैं, under 13 3 बार जीत चुके हैं. There's no thing to prove to anyone, okay, that you're the best. So we won the maximum titles there are in Indian football, and by far there's no competition. I realized that it's not about titles, it's about how many internationals you produce for the country. Okay, that's what you want to do. Then the focus became internationals, but we were doing very well there also. So for everyone to know, we produced 246 internationals. Each and every international is listed on the honors board there. That is more than the total of every other club and academy in India put together.
Combined.
All of them put together on one side. Okay, and this is the last 9 years with 2-3 years of COVID in the middle. Now, with no sponsors, no government backing, no business backing, with nothing. And in fact, I was the biggest critic of AIFF in all these years. So in spite and despite of that, in spite and despite of being the biggest critic of ISL and taking people on, in spite of that, and winning titles when the referees and everything else is controlled by the federation is,
एक जनरल व्यू तो आपके अगेंस्ट ही था.
so it's always the thing. So ये कर लिया ना, उसके बाद क्या कि ये सारा कुछ ये भी हो गया, अब इंटरनेशनल भी हो गए, क्या करना है. बट ये इंटरनेशनल जाके इंटरनेशनल इंडिया में कर क्या रहे हैं, उनके लिए कर क्या रहे हैं. What's the point of producing internationals when they are actually shit in the international level? So then it became something else. Then it became 2020 World Cup 2034. Either I can keep blaming this federation and then I'd be 65, 75, 85 and then doing the same thing, or I can do something about it myself. Then they say you dream too big. How can you get India to the World Cup? Because I said Iceland can. And Iceland की population 3 लाख है. And that's what my famous thing is, कि 3 लाख हमारे दिवाली के मेले पे होते हैं.
Hmm.
So And we don't require money, because if we required money to be good footballers, then Brazil would not be a good nation, and now all the African nations would suck at football. It's got nothing to do with genes, because then you wouldn't have Danny Bath playing in the Premier League. So, or Saprit Singh playing in the World Cup for Bayern Munich and the World Cup. So it's about making sure that we get to the World Cup and we start at the right age. So we had a pool base of 4 lakh kids who we scouted. We went to 19 different states. We scouted kids and we went to each and every district of the states. We just didn't go to the capital, because क्या होता है capital में जाओ तो अगर मेरा suppose I am living in a district in Manipur which is 12 hours away from the capital, मेरा डैडी लेबर करता है और वो 1000 रुपए दिन के कमाता है,
तो कहाँ से ले जाएगा
वो मैं इसको एक दिन की छुट्टी लेके आएगा, 1000 रुपए गए,
खाना नहीं
फिर
बनेगा
उसका वहां पे लोग तो ट्रायल फी लेते हैं और फिर खाना पीना रहना जाना और सेलेक्ट होए ना होए, और कितनी उम्र है इसकी 9 साल, कौन लेके जाएगा? मैं उसके घर पे जाऊंगा, उसके बाप को पता है कि ठीक है जाएगा तो इसकी लाइफ बन जाएगी, जाने देगा. सो वी वेंट टू ईच एंड एवरी प्लेस. We selected 175, that's gone up to 183, and we'll be taking it up to 200. So 200 is the total space. So 200 boys on 100% scholarship, which were for 10 years. So I didn't sign contract with the boys. I signed contract with the parents. And the bond was that it was not going to be anything punitive, that if you leave before this time, then you just pay me what I've spent on the boys and you can take your boy away. Suppose, you think he's going to be very good in some club, he can most weekly, and he can pay me what 4-5 lakhs a year, jitna maine kharch kiya is bacche pe le jaye. But none of them obviously have ever left it today, because no one else is doing this for kids at that age. So ये हमारा था कि वर्ल्ड कप 2034 में पहुंचेंगे हम, और हम क्या करेंगे कि हम ट्रेन करके इनको हर साल from the age of 12, because 8, 9, 10, उससे पहले तो मतलब is fun football, and it's not serious competition. From the age of 12, we will test them out from the best in the world. We will test ourselves, and then we'll see how far off we are from the best, and then tweak or not tweak, or see where we are falling back.
कैसे improve करना है, क्या करना है. हाँ.
तो हम यही करते करते 2 साल के बाद, 3 साल की ट्रेनिंग के बाद 2022 में मीना कप गए, जहाँ पे रिलायंस यूथ फाउंडेशन भी गई है हमारे बाद और हमारे साथ, चेन्नईएन भी गई है, और 10 और अदर टीम्स गई हैं मीना कप. अब मीना कप को क्वालिफाई करने के लिए इनको वहां इंग्लैंड में जाके क्वालिफाई करना पड़ता है, नॉर्विच के पास जाके, नॉर्विच के साथ जो टाई अप किया है वहां का विनर जाता है इनके मीना कप में. वी वेंट देयर एंड वी वन, the first thing, and again we won in a way, we dominated, and we had 1 goal or 2 goals scored against us. We scored 40 goals in 7 matches. We beat La Liga's main academy, which had come from Spain there. We drew with Man City. We beat Barcelona's academy of that place. We didn't beat Barcelona. We beat, but we thrashed them 5-0. So that was unheard of in UAE. And none of the papers reported, but the UAE people thought it's a big thing. So Gulf News, which is one of the biggest newspapers there, headline had, Indian boys thrashed Barcelona and make merry. It was a headline newspaper. And it reported that they've never seen kids of this age ever playing the way they play, with that kind of intensity. See, I realized that we Indians keep trying to do things and copy things which are not ours. That means if we see Haaland के हमारे को striker चाहिए यार, हमको फिर जाके कश्मीर से या पंजाब से 6 फुट 4 इंच का बंदा ढूंढो, उसको फिर स्ट्राइकर बनाओ.
ये एक स्ट्राइकर क्लिनिक.
फिर हमारे ग्रेट्स हैं जो हमारे को लीड करते हैं, वो कहते हैं स्ट्राइकर क्लिनिक खोलो, 2 हफ्ते में स्ट्राइकर बन जाएगा. तो फिर मेरे को उस दिन लगा कि यार मैं तो बहुत ही बड़ा यार, बिकॉज़ आई शुड जस्ट लीव ऑल दिस. ये आइडिया मुझे पहले क्यों नहीं आया?
2 हफ्ते में स्ट्राइकर
2 हफ्ते में बनाता मैं स्ट्राइकर पूरे करके स्ट्राइकर स्कूल. So when we went there, we did that. We saw, okay, we are the good thing, and that was just more. These tournaments were more to show to us if we are on the right pathway. Because first is not testing yourself against the world. First is testing yourself in Asia. That is why we went here, पास में औकात में, कि यहाँ पे जाके टेस्ट कर लो. We also realized that that is also a very very richy kind of tournament, because वहाँ पे जाके you were made to stay in 4 or 5 star hotels. Okay.
हाँ, फिर उस कैटेगरी की टीम्स आ रही हैं जो थोड़ा सीरियस नहीं भी होंगी.
अगर तुम, there were teams who were not serious, because if you are able to pay that kind of money, then your daddy has to be very rich, because they are not. There's only one crazy guy like me who's doing it with my own money. So next year after that, then I said, okay, fine, let's raise our bar. And we searched because we don't know where the things. We searched which is the biggest tournament in the world for youth, and the first name which came up was Gothia, and it was the World Youth Cup. And we saw the kind of people. So see, what do I see? I say कि इनकी उम्र के जो हमारे legends थे, वो कहाँ खेलते थे जब वो उनकी उम्र के होते थे. So I heard of Xabi Alonso giving this interview once when he had just been the first time he'd taken up some coaching assignment, where he was saying that, yes, I've Gothia Cup, I played myself, and I think it's a great experience, and I think it's very much exposure. Heard him saying that, then I came to know that Pirlo and Xabi Alonso, and then obviously Ibrahimovic, and then you had Alan Shearer, and then you had Haaland, and then you had, I mean, all you name the players who have played in Europe have played in Gothia World and known as the World Youth Cup. Have Indian teams gone there before? Yes. Every year, 6 or 7 Indian teams go. But I saw that they were all the paid school program teams, rich kind of teams who were going there.
And
thereby getting thrashed 20-0, 30-0, 20 zeros they were getting thrashed. And we were the worst performing nation in Gothia Cup history. Except one year when East Bengal sent their team. And I think Mehtab was part of that team. And there were other people also part of that team. And they lost in the semi-finals or the finals of the Gothia Cup. So that's the furthest the team has been. So it's not that a professional team from India has not gone. East Bengal did it. But no Indian team had won it. And that made me think, okay, fine, let's do that. Let's make history by being the first Indian team to go and win the World Youth Cup. And why is it the biggest tournament in the world? Because it's been going on for 50 years. It's got over 220 countries which have participated. This year, over 76 countries participated. They have had 2,000 teams this year. So 2,000 teams means actually in just players, it means around 40,000 players who are there. So imagine with the support staff, if you have 60,000 football coaches, staff, and all in one venue, and then you have the crowd. So what kind of an atmosphere and exposure it is. So I thought even if we don't do well, just for these kids, the exposure is also great. You know, that was the thing. हमारे को पता नहीं था क्या होने वाला है. And that is why we trained really hard for it. We went. So like I was coming back to the point कि why do we try to make Sunil Chhetris? हम बार बार बोलते रहते हैं Sunil Chhetri, next striker. We don't need a striker. Man City didn't have a striker when they had 100 points and Pep Guardiola won the league twice. He did not have a striker. His centre backs were 5'8" and 5'9". He won that league, and then Liverpool did it the next year with counter pressing and with pressing, and they did it with the same thing. See, you may be Messi if I allow you to see your options. If I don't allow you to see your options, you are no one. So if I am pressing you and you are only looking where, you cannot look up, you can only look down because you're right here. So my only job is that I'm going to protect possession of my ball. So when I am playing against a team which is pressing, my first thing in my mind is I do not have to give the ball away to him. And I have to protect the ball and move it around. I can't even think of scoring a goal because I'm trying to protect the ball. Now, when you are pressing someone, you can only do it at high intensity, sustained way like Dembele did against PSG, that type, for a little while. The big advantage, now see, I'm giving the secrets away. The big advantage I had in all these tournaments was they were rolling substitutions.
तो आप मूव कर सकते हो, वो पैचेस आपको ज्यादा मिल जाते हैं.
Rolling substitutions means जो सारा थका उसको बाहर लेके आओ, अगले को पाओ, वो थक गया बाहर लेके आओ, अगले को पाओ. Now the game is all athlete based. People think football has got skills. No, it's not at all. I totally believe that if you are better athlete, you will do better. A good athlete can be a footballer. A good footballer cannot be an athlete. Totally different. So my aim was that their VO2 max capacities, their lung capacities should be so big that they are able to run for the sprint for the entire time. So we have 20-minute, in the first time we played Gothia, 20-minute matches with a 5-minute break. That means if they have to run for 40 minutes straight and I still have substitutions there, if I'm able to do that and I'm able to do that here and I make them, so hamara ye hai, because of the armed forces background, the more you sweat in training, the less you bleed in war. Sweat kya, blood kya, tears kya, vomit kya, kuch choda hi nahi humne. And that became a breeze for them. they were walking past every team in Gothia. And even in the last 23, when we won the Gothia, we had only like 3 goals scored against us. We scored 46 goals in 6-7 matches. Now, when we won the World Youth Cup and we saw that we are there, we entered, okay, fine, this is one tournament, is this not good enough? We have to actually go and play 3-4 in a tour. But next year we didn't have any money because there was no support. So we said, okay, fine, we'd rather wait for 1 year and then go the next year. And I Googled it. That was the world's 5 biggest youth tournaments. That was the Google search. The first 4 names which came somehow were
aligning calendar
wise, and for the first time. It's never
मतलब by chance हुआ
by chance ऐसा हुआ. Otherwise what happens is the Dana and the Gothia and the Norway always overlap. So no one can actually have gone and played those tournaments. This time there was a way in which I could go and play all 4. And Iber Cup is the one which we didn't play because it's in Spain, it's in June, and it's the 5th biggest. So the 4th is Helsinki, then the 3rd is Dana, then you've got Norway, and then you've got Gothia, which is the biggest. Now, how is it the biggest tournament? With the number of people, number of teams which enter, the number of nations which enter. That's how it's the biggest. Okay. So for all football fans, where do you think these big academies like Arsenal or La Masia, Barcelona, or all these academies, where do they pick up their players from?
यहीं से आगे scout
From other academies? Yes. Which academies? Are they all famous academies? No. Famous academies do not give their boys to other famous academies. Only small academies give these boys to famous academies कि उनकी life बन जाएगी. This is where they come and scout from. So the whole point was that unless we have 10 to 12 Indians playing in the Champions League or in the top European leagues, India's never going to get to the World Cup. How are we going to get there? Like I told you before we were having a talk, Indians don't go outside because they're too comfortable here, because an 18-year-old rather sit on the bench here and get 1 crore.
नहीं तो बाहर $1,000-2,000
$1,500 भी नहीं मिलेंगे. That is what his real thing is. So if you sit on the bench from 18 to 20, you're finished. You're finished as a player. No, you're finished. Komal Tatkal, big advantage. You're finished as a player. You will not do well. The maximum you improve is between 14 and 18 game-wise when you're playing at a higher level. The maximum you improve technically is between 10 to 14. The people say decision-making. There is no decision-making in football. There's nothing known as decision-making. It's all myelin. Myelin is a protein produced in your body maximum from the ages of 5, 6 to the ages of 13, 14, then it peters down. Suppose you're left-hander or right-hander. Today, I can't make you into a left-hander within 2 months of practice or 3 months of intense 8 hours a day practice. You'll still not be that good. Okay? If I do that to a 5-year-old,
हो जाएगा.
Connections form nahi hote. So you mean to say in the fast game of football, the ball comes to me and I can think, oh, ये खाली है, ये खाली, इसको देते हैं ball. It's tuck, 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 tuck.
It's like जैसे आप गाड़ी चला रहे हो, आपको सामने आया, ब्रेक मारी.
Exactly. And that comes with how much you played between the ages of 6 to 12. And Indians fall back here. We start at the age of 12. तो हमारी connections जो neurons की हैं वो बनती नहीं है, और जो बनती हैं वो गलत बनती हैं, because जो हमारे grassroots में 12 साल पे सिखाते हैं, they are PTIs. और वो सेंटर बैक का बॉल आती है, चल चक लंबी मार,
सिखाई वही सीखा है.
So then you ask them that when you go to the senior team, then you start passing out from the back, they can't do it. I was seeing a list in the transfer market, the 10 most expensive center backs in India. So top 7 में से 5 are mine. Harmeepom, Bikash, Sandesh, Anwar, and there was one more. So 5 of them. Why? Because they can pass out from the back. Not because they're great. Because from the age of 12, they were not given any other option. In Minerva, you have to pass out from the back. Doesn't matter what the press is. That's what the Europeans were famous for. That doesn't matter. Our ethics are like this. Juniors पे ये करना है, हमको करना होता है. So please remind me, I have to come to one topic about all these ISL big Gora coaches saying, juniors we don't talk about winning. It's got nothing to do with winning. We don't go for the winning. So I'll talk to you about that. But okay. So then I saw, I'll have a refill. So then I saw that ओके ये टूर्नामेंट सबके बड़े हैं, अब मुझे बताओ कि हमारे लेजेंड्स कौन है, लाइक इब्राहिमोविच, लोंजो, एलन शेरर, पियरलो, ऑल दीज गाइस, ये जब इनकी उम्र के थे कहाँ खेलते थे? फिर मैं देखा साला ये भी इस टूर्नामेंट्स में खेलते थे, तो मैं कहाँ जाऊं? मैं तो वहीं जाऊंगा जहां पे ये होंगे। नाउ अगर मुझे कोई ऐसा बोल देना कि हम उस टूर्नामेंट में देखा है और हमने जाके कि तुमने जो किया है ये किसी और टीम ने भी किया हुआ है, तो बात बनती कि ठीक है यार, कोई और टीम भी अच्छी गई है और ये घटिया सा टूर्नामेंट था, हमने जाके ठोक दिया है, so maybe this quality level was bad. But if none of the 2000 teams there playing in various categories, in various age groups, boys and girls, none of them are being able to give the score lines we are giving, you mean to say we are the one team out of 2000 teams who's the good one, and all the 1999 teams are India teams? Okay, and not this year. They have been India team for the last 53 years, because for the last 53 years
कोई नहीं कर पाया
किसी ने हमारा जैसे वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड दाना कप और उस दोनों में नहीं किया कि हमने फाइनल में जो 15-0 और 14-1 मारा है, आज तक किसी भी टीम ने 50 इयर्स में किसी भी एज कैटेगरी में फाइनल में ये नहीं किया। तो मतलब 50 साल से वहां पे एक भी ढंग की टीम नहीं आई, सारी टीम आई है। इज दैट व्हाट यू आर सेइंग?
नहीं, पर
So
मुझे एक
now
बात बताओ।
I'll tell you
हाँ,
now. So I'll tell you how we did it. When we knew what the competition was, we had to make sure that we don't, when the aim was we have to win 4, first how do we plan it? Because what happens in these tournaments is the pre-quarters, quarters and semi-final all are on the same day in all 4 tournaments. So you play the
40-40 मिनट के।
pre-quarter, quarter, semi-final, सुबह, दोपहर, शाम, अगले दिन फाइनल। तो मेरा जो लेवल होना था फिजिकल का, इट हैड टू बी सो हाई दैट रिकवरी एंड also no injuries. Because if you are injured and I'm abroad, it's not I can just घर से बुला लिया एक मैंने बंदा गया, visa वूजा नहीं, it's finished. You're not with that guy. You have to understand what we did in this entire tour. We played 37 matches or 36 matches in 21 days of playing time. Why? Because after every one tournament of 6 days final, there were 2 days of traveling or 1.5 days of traveling to get to the next country. Then we played the first match there. Then we played those 3 matches on that day: quarter-final, pre-quarter, quarter, semi-final, and then next day final. Then travel again. Then do it again. So from the first tournament, when we played 11v11 in Gothia, there was 9v9, and in our category there was 14 and 15 only 9v9. Why? Because the number of, when we had from Helsinki to Gothia, the time distance, and our first match of 11v11 was not possible if we had played like if we had played, अगर हमारे को या तो हेलसिंकी में खेलना पड़ता या यहाँ पे खेलना पड़ता,
एक छोड़ना पड़ता,
एक खेल सकते थे। Same thing in the next, same thing in the next. So we would have had to play probably
Alternate,
2
two out of
total
the 4.
tournaments out of 4. Or we would have had to change this. Now, it also suited us more. Why? Because in a 7v7, you play 11v11, 3 matches in one day, and then you play a final. That means you first play 9 matches in 5 days in Helsinki, 11v11. Then you're saying I should play another 8-9 matches in another 6 days in Sweden. Then another 9 matches, 11v11 there. And then they can't do that. It's not humanly possible. That is why it had to be done in a way that we don't overextend them. We look after injuries. We look after recovery times. The number of, and the way, the kind of football we play, with the high intensity football we play, not possible to play 4 11v11s together. Okay. Then the last tournament, which was their Norway Cup, we asked them to enter 11v11 because we had time. They refused because they said, you have never entered Norway before. In fact, not only have you never entered, we don't think that, you can last in 11v11, because they didn't know who we were. This year, Norway Cup has not only invited us, they have said that your entry will be free and you're going to be playing in the 11v11. So we tried to play in the 11v11 there. In the 2 tournaments we played 7, that was Norway and Dana 7v7.
एक वो 14 और 14B का भी क्लैरिफाई करो।
14 और 14B नहीं है। 14B का मतलब 14 बॉयज है। It's not B, it's 14G or 14B. 14G is 14 girls, 14B is 14 boys. Now, it's not that you see a B. So what happens is the पहले 4 MIC Cup में भी होएगा. So you've got 4 teams playing in a group. The first 2 qualify
Qualify.
for the main rounds.
हम्म
The next two don't go home because इतनी दूर
हाँ
आए हैं.
वो सेकंड
वो होता है
tier
B
competition.
कैटेगरी.
हाँ करेक्ट.
तो जो एक नेपाल की टीम जीती है गोल्स एकेडमी,
वो कैटेगरी जीती
वो
है.
अपने ग्रुप में 4th आए या 3rd आए.
हम्म,
फिर वो जितने भी सारे ग्रुप्स में 3rd 4th थे उनका अलग
उनका अलग
कॉम्पिटिशन.
कंपटीशन.
वो B होता है.
हाँ
वो हम B नहीं थे.
हाँ.
We won our group. We were champions of our group.
हम्म,
We went and played in the main final and the main thing.
हम्म,
So it has nothing to do with B. So that is false. So
Hmm.
that can be checked up and you can
Hmm.
see the information. Now, when you go about it, about asking के इनका level हमारे तुम्हारे score इतने थे, इतना ये था, आप जाके देखो कि हमारा पहले तो 10-0 क्यों होता, 10 की जगह 14 क्यों था, 15 क्यों था. Everything was planned because we had only 20 minutes in a half. There was no extra time being added. There were 2 balls on the field at all time. The ball used to go far. We used to waste 30 seconds. They never used to stop the second clock. 20 minutes. So अगर मेरी टीम मेरे अगेंस्ट लो ब्लॉक चली गई है तो और लंबे लंबे मारने शुरू कर दिए, आई एम स्क्रूड. And that is what happened to us in the Helsinki Cup final. And I'll share that message with you. You must share it right now when we are talking on the group. The guy who defeated us in the final, he says, we've just won this tournament in Portugal. We defeated Sporting Lisbon. We defeated Juventus. And Keta is the decision of my life, ethics of my life that I teach my kids. Doesn't matter who's pressing, you have to play out from the press. Keta, your team is the first team in my history in 40 years of coaching. From the very first minute, we played low block and we knew we couldn't get out of your press. And they played foreigners. So they have foreigners in their team of under 14s. So they had these 2 Ghana boys who were 6'4". So the ball was going straight to them. That's how we lost the first final. So when we knew that this is going to be happening, we had to plan for it in such a way. We had to plan each and everything. So 20 minutes means I can't even celebrate my goals. Go and see my goals. When the boy scores, nobody celebrates. They go and pick the ball from the back of the net. Back. Bang, back. Bang, back. Why? So they were asking me, the media there, that तुम्हारी कोई celebration नहीं है. मैंने कहा है. कहते क्या है? मैं कहा picking the ball back of the net, putting it back. कहते why? मैं कहा doctor doesn't fucking do a surgery and says, oh, ये surgery कर दी मैंने. मैं कहा that's their job. That's their profession. They play football. That's what their life is going to be. They should be knowing. When can they be happy? They can be happy after they get the title. See, we Indians have been taught too long to be okay with just participating. We have to be ruthless. So ruthlessness was that they were made to think, they've been born and brought up on the 300 movie. So if you ask them, who are we? Champions. What is your profession? Oh. So means that it's your profession on the field. You are warriors on the field. This is going to affect the way your family eats or sleeps or lives, because this is going to be your profession. So that's how seriously each and every one of you boys should be taking it.
Okay,
so what happens with these...
It's okay.
Thanks, bye. So what happens with these Indian football fans is they compare my 14 or 15-year-olds to their gully के 14 or 15-year-olds.
Okay? ये तो लोगों को यही लगता है कि वहां तो बिल्कुल कोई बेकार टीम आई हुई है.
तो अब आप ये देखो कि आप जाके ना इन्हीं की फोटोज हमारे गौथिया कप के वीडियोस लगे हुए हैं. आप जाके इनकी ग्रोथ देखो उस टाइम पे क्या थी और अब वो क्या बीस्ट बन गए हैं. These boys have got, all of them are between 7 to 9% body percentage fat. All. They have muscle mass which is better than Olympic athletes. Their VO2 max is better than Sunil Chetri, who is the fittest right now in the Indian team. How do I know? Their yo-yo test scores are better than each and everybody in the Indian current national team.
Senior
and they
team.
are my 14-year-olds. And by the way, so when I say B14 means, it's not B14, it's boys 14 category means these boys are already 14. So it's not my under 14 boys, it's the under 15 boys. Okay?
But एक बात बताओ, जैसे जितना मैं देख पाया, there was also an under 15 category, right? In the competition, not where you were not playing. So would it also not be better to play them in the under 15 category?
No. How do I know that I was going to smash them like this? वो तो मैंने बोला था अगर ठोकेंगे, अगर ठुक जाते फिर, वो तो अब पता लगा ना हमारी औकात क्या है. अब तुम जो बोल रहे हो ठीक है. So how do we raise our limit? Why the fuck should I go and play them in there? As though I should play them in the under 18. As though I should play them in the I League right now.
हाँ सही बात है. उस टाइम तो भाई जो chances of...
नहीं, तो अब मैंने क्या करना था? मेरा aim था, मेरा एम ये था कि भाई जब मैं पिछली बार गौथिया कप गया था ना, तो मेरे पास I had these old people coming to me and crying there. There was one Bengali guy and there was one Punjabi guy. They came and cried. They were 85 and they was 90 years old. He says, we've been here for 50 years. Every year, one works as a supervisor there, one as a groundsman. कहता 50 साल से हम यहाँ पे इंडियन टीम आती है और मैं यहाँ पे देखता हूँ ये 20-0, 30-0, 40-0 ऐसे बोरियां भर के लेके जाते हैं. कहता आज तक ऐसे नहीं हुआ. And they were both crying and on separate occasions. So it meant so much to those guys that we are doing this. So my aim this time was to go and show these all 4 countries where all Indian teams go and take part that Indians can do this. And oh my God, the amount of love we got there and what it meant to them. Because people don't realize that at this age in Europe, the intensity is very, very low. They are not taught. So see, I did my masterclass on them. But what people don't know is how we were able to beat them is because they don't believe in intensity. In Europe, they believe in technicality. Indians can never win from them in technicality.
तो आपने
The
पूरा
Europeans,
intensity
मेरा पहले से plan था
कि रगड़
कि
दो उनको.
we are not better footballers than them भाई. मैंने नहीं बनाया उनको better footballers. मेरे वो अगर मेरी जिस टीम को मैंने 15-0 हराया है, उनका हर एक लड़का मेरे लड़के से टेक्निकली बेटर था.
बस रगड़ दो, मतलब technical
they
better
should
athletes.
yeah, better athletes, because the game is about athletes. So if you don't let them play, see, when we have the ball, we play, we score. When they have the ball, we don't let them play. So what do I mean? I can Messi like that. तू Messi होएगा अपने घर पे होएगा, but अगर मैं पे 3 बंदे तेरे पे लगा दूंगा, कितनी बार ड्रिबल करेगा तू? So my aim is, so they are very happy. So my boys like to play one touch in their half, in the opposition half. And I said, even if your passing percentage is 20%, I'm okay. Why? Because if you lose the ball, what do? Counter press. Moment you counter press, moment they have the ball, they all spread. Suppose मैंने बॉल पास किया अपने स्ट्राइकर को, मिस होके उनके सेंटर के पास चली गई. जैसे ही उनके सेंटर बैक के पास गई है, उनके सेंटर बैक्स पहले सारी उनकी डिफेंस कॉम्पैक्ट थी. अब जैसे ही उनके पास बॉल पोजीशन है, एक सेंटर बैक साला वहां चला गया, उनका फुल बैक वहां चला गया, एक फुल बैक वहां चला गया. और उस टाइम पे काउंटर प्रेस करके मैंने बॉल जीत ली, तो मेरा गोल कहाँ है वहां?
हाँ, फिर तो
why do you think PSG hits the ball from there? Why do you think they do that? This is where the world football has become like. You don't try to build up and go there. You put the fucking ball there, press them there. In their house, press them next to their neck and don't let them breathe. The pressure should be so relentless. So see, I knew that, okay, हम अच्छा करेंगे ना, तो गोरे हमें रोकेंगे वहां पे, क्योंकि गोरों को भी नहीं अच्छा लगता कि उनकी आके ब्राउन बॉयज बेइज्जती कर रहे हैं इतनी. So we used to find racism in every Gora referee for the first 5 minutes of the match.
Really?
Only for the first 5 minutes.
Racism in what sense?
मतलब कि उनके फाउल देता, हमारे नहीं देता, वो होता, and we knew it. But 5 minutes के बाद क्यों बंद? Because he said कि oh shit, जितनी मर्जी मैं बेइज्जती कर लूं, ये टीम तो ठुकेगी, तो I better be fair. And then he started seeing fair. You go and see all our matches. First 3-4 minutes, everything is going against us, and after that, once we've scored 3-4, then it becomes normal. And then all my boys do is, so they get targets, bhai. They don't just sent like this. So either tumne highlights dekhe hain. The entire speeches are available there, where I've told them, today I want these many goals. For these many goals, you need to score these many in the first half. That means per minute you should be scoring this much. So हमने क्या किया in 7v7? We made 2 teams who were in competition with each other. There used to be one team going and the entire team is to score and to come out, and the next team is to go in. Because how the do I motivate them after they are 7-0 to press them the same way?
कोई chance ही नहीं है. But
if you're 11-0, how do I motivate them not to dribble and be a star? Because there are all these girls, hot European girls standing and saying, ooh, they want to be a star. They've been taught they can't dribble. Yes, I am a killer of enjoy. So is Pep Guardiola. But that's what football has become. You do not dribble. When you have 2 people, you do a 1-2. How dare you fucking dribble? Where do you dribble? You dribble in the box. You dribble outside the box. In the final third, do what you want. We're not gonna say anything to you. Before the final third, you better do what we tell you, because if you screw up, we are at the back. So they were not allowed to dribble till the final third. Okay? And till the final, how do you go up? 1-2s. They were always moving up in pairs or in triples. And they were not afraid of giving the ball away, because they give the ball away, counter press लेके वापस ले लेंगे. और क्यों करते थे? Why? Because they were so super fit. They were so super fit So our sessions, bhai, were in Minerva were that they forget about getting used to jet lag. They were sleeping 5 times a day because our REM cycles are 90 minutes. So I used to make them do 90 minutes, 180 minutes ke 4 cycles. So actually sleeping time was 12 hours, but they were actually sleeping for around 10 hours, but 4 times a day. They were having 5 meals a day, small meals, because there were 3 matches I was preparing for. So मैंने एक fourth डाला बाद में, मतलब कि I prepared for 4
कि एक और खेलना
के
पड़ेगा।
the more you sweat in training.
चलो टाइम, अब बहुत सारी बातें करनी है। अब मेरे को
मैं आपको
इस वाले पॉइंट पे
just the last thing on this. They lacked, I knew each and every boy how much they lost, because every boy was checked lactate threshold. I have a measurer where their blood tests are taken with their each round. I come and prick their blood, is put in there like a glucose meter diabetes वाला, वो पता लगता है कि इसके लैक्टिक एसिड में कितना है बॉडी में, इसका मतलब रिकवरी कितनी हो रही है, इसका मतलब आई न्यू नॉट बाय लुकिंग एट देम कि ये कितना लास्ट करेगा, ये खत्म हो गया टाइम, वापस आए, अरेस्ट कर, अगला जाएगा. So it was so well planned. That is why. So if I would say, if I had not done all this, would we have still won the tournament? I mean, without the fitness, probably yes. But would we have scored so many goals? No. 2-1s, 3-1s, 4-1s. Normal football
शायद
matches.
थोड़े कम सिनिसिज्म होता फिर, क्योंकि लोगों को लगता है कि ये स्कोर लाइंस, हाँ,
ये इनके लिए नहीं किया ना, हाँ, ये मैंने अपनी इज्जत के लिए किया, बाहर के लिए, कि इनको गोरों को पता लगे इंडियंस कैन प्ले फुटबॉल, एंड नॉट ओनली कैन वी प्ले, वी कैन डोमिनेट. नाउ so the whole point was to raise us, and like you said कि हम कहाँ जाए, मैं यहाँ पे गया because मैंने देखा यहाँ पे है, फिर मुझे किसी ने बताया कि मिक कप है यार, वहां पे बताया when I was there. So now the next progression is, how the did I know that I was going to win all 3 or all 4 or this? I didn't know ना कि कर दिया. So now if I go again and do the same thing in the 7v7, then I'm the biggest man. तो तू ठोक के आ गया, तू क्या उनकी बेइज्जती करने जा रहा है, तू दिखा दिया ना. अगर अब तूने जाना है वहां पे तो 11v11 खेलेगा या उससे बड़ा खेल. सो हम मिकअप जा रहे हैं अप्रैल में, एंड वी आर गोइंग. सो ये जितने भी नेसेयर्स हैं, हेटर्स हैं, आई लव इट, बिकॉज सी इफ दे at least people are talking about football, talking about our results, and how do I prove them wrong? I prove them wrong
by
in
doing
Mick Cup.
better and better.
No, I prove them wrong in Mick Cup. क्या बोलेंगे वहां पे, क्या बोलेंगे वहां पे भी कोई एक्सक्यूज बोलेंगे, वहां पे भी कुछ बोल देंगे, अच्छा नहीं ये तो बार्सिलोना की रियल टीम नहीं थी, मेसी थोड़ा आया. So I will go there 11v11, I'll play there, and then they can talk. See, it's not a club which has not done anything in India, gone and done that. People understand. I don't know. In India, people have a habit of pulling people down who have extreme success because they can't understand how he's done it. Just because you can't understand something doesn't make it wrong. So if I have won the under 13 title 3 times, 4 times, and no team has even won it once. अंडर 13 टाइटल कोई जीता ही नहीं किसी इंडिया में. अंडर 15 के 6 टाइटल हुए हैं, उसमें से 4 मेरे हैं और 5 फाइनल खेले हैं मैंने. ठीक है. अंडर 8 पर कहता है ओवर एज है. अब TW3 टेस्ट अभी भी ओवर एज है. सो तुम कब मानोगे यार? TW3 में भी जीत लिया टाइटल, 3-4 साल से TW3 आई एम विनिंग टाइटल्स. ओके, इंटरनेशनल सबसे ज्यादा मैंने प्रोड्यूस किए हैं. ठीक है. उसके बाद यू आर सीइंग एवरी डे व्हिच आई एम डूइंग. वी हैव ओनली गॉट 2 बॉयज इन द Guardian's top 60 players list, and they were all both Bikash Yumnam and this boy Himanshu Jangra. So see what I am doing and proving to the world. I am not going out and saying it each and every day. नहीं तो बैठ के सिर्फ डंडोरा ही यही पीटना होता है. But now I have realized in India you just can't be fucking humble. You have to go out and spell it out के सालों देखो मैंने ये किया, please fucking show some respect. Because when I say respect, what do I want? I want support, man. Because end of the day मैं अपने लिए नहीं कर रहा हूँ. I have devoted my life to football to get this dream come true. Minerva is not. मैंने क्या बोला? Minerva has to play the club World Cup. हाँ, मेरा
इंडिया खेलने की बात हो
is the
रही
World
है.
Cup, man. So I am not going to be the head of the team. It will not be my team. By the way, if जो मेरा प्लान है कि मैं इन बच्चों को बाहर लेके जा रहा हूँ, मिकअप में अच्छा करेंगे, they might be scouted by someone. मुझे कितने पैसे मिलेंगे? टट्टू.
नहीं, मैं अब
₹1 नहीं मिल रहा. अंडर 16 में, अंडर 18 में तुम्हारे को यूरोपियन ट्रांसफर्स में यू नॉट पेड इवन ₹1. Whereas if I just keep my mouth shut and I can take these boys and sell them to ISL clubs, in 3 years I'll make a crore per boy. तो मैं अपने पैर पे कुल्हाड़ी मार रहा हूँ उनको वहां ले जाके वहां भेजने के, ट्रांसफर करने की कोशिश में.
नहीं, चलो मुझे एक बार थोड़े फाइनेंसेस की बात करते हैं. सी माय क्वेश्चन, ये तो हमने मतलब आई हैव सीन इट इन clips and reels and all ki you funded this entire trip, but we'll just come to that. But before that, there is also criticism कि भाई मिनेर्वा को बेचा पैसे के लिए।
मिनर्वा को नहीं बेचा,
हाँ,
पंजाब एफसी को
पंजाब
बेचा।
एफसी को बेचा पैसे के लिए।
हाँ, मैं
तो
दिल्ली एफसी को भी बेचने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ।
तो टेल मी जैसे आपने बताया कि 120-25 यूथ प्लेयर्स थे आपके सिस्टम के
हाँ,
जब आपने राउंड ग्लास को बेचा,
हाँ,
ठीक है? इनको आपने अपने पसीने से सींचा होगा इन
हाँ,
प्लेयर्स
हाँ,
को,
मेरे
राइट?
अभी भी मेरे बच्चे हैं वो,
करेक्ट? तो
they're my boys.
व्हाट वाज द माइंडसेट लाइक कमर्शियल रियलिटी लोग समझ नहीं पाते। जैसे
So,
हम कभी बात करते हैं, अभी बाहर बात कर रहे थे कि इंडियन प्लेयर्स हैं,
so I was under
बाहर खेल हाँ,
I was under debt of 3.5-4 CR because I had been in Indian football that time for 5 years,
हुँ,
and I had accumulated debt of 3.5-4 crores.
हुँ,
So either I would have had to totally shut off or
हुँ,
just shut up and take this offer and make the best out of it. But the golden lining I saw was that normally क्या होता है जब मेरे से जैसे मैं दिल्ली एफसी जितनी मेरे से लोग बात कर रहे हैं खरीदना है, no one gives a fuck about the junior teams. They will only bother about कि हमारे को एंट्री चाहिए आईएसएल आई
हुँ,
लीग में
वो
एंट्री चाहिए इसलिए
फास्ट ट्रैक हो गया।
हाँ हमारे को वो nobody even cares कि तेरी 13 15 18 टीम का क्या
बट राउंड ग्लास ने अच्छा
राउंड
किया।
ग्लास ने बात ही मेरे से की कि मेरे को 13 15 18 टीम चाहिए तेरी एंड तेरे से नॉन कम्पीट क्लॉज चाहिए because then I knew that okay they were making sure Punjab is going to grow. They knew that if I compete with them I'll beat their ass. That is why
Hmm.
that's why the non-compete clause.
कितने how much did you make on that deal?
15 CR. 15 and that was the biggest deal in Indian football history. It's all in white and it's all on the fucking
Correct,
ROC
correct.
man, so you can see. And I got another 5 crores to run that team for him for the first year, so I ran the entire thing so he can get into the whole thing. 13, 15, 18 and the I-League team then became second or third East Bengal and then COVID happened that time. So and I even by the way, not only my coaches also went.
मतलब आप बिल्कुल you were
said
stripped of everything.
मैं नंगा हो गया था. The only place which I had was Minerva. That
Hmm.
means land is there,
Hmm.
my facility is there, I am there, and that's it. And
सारे
other than
प्लेयर, सारे कोचेस, सपोर्ट स्टाफ सब
so
सब
then
चले गए।
coming back to the same place and even actually beating my own records, that just shows that it is actually the factory.
Hmm.
It just shows it's not a fluke. It just shows you take it from me today, I'll do it again tomorrow.
और इस पूरे ट्रिप के फाइनेंसेस में तो आपने सब कुछ सेल्फ फंडेड है।
सारे में सेल्फ फंड है भाई। देखो जो 3.5 करोड़ का डेट हो गया था ना,
वो इसीलिए ये सब कर
कोई
करके
था नहीं। तो अब मैंने क्या सिस्टम शुरू किया कि we have a school also, paid school. That means paid program school. That means if you want to play football and you're not selected, but you want to be training in the same way as these guys, you want everything the same way, you pay for it, पैसा दो. And with that money, I'm able to fund these boys and also now not totally, but obviously partially I'm able to fund, and then I'm taking funds from. So my only other business is I'm also a teacher. So my grandfather started this academy, Minerva Academy, in 1955. This is the 70th year. So my greatest achievement in life is not these 20 national titles or 240 plus internationals or whatever, Gothia Cup and all. My proudest and greatest achievement in life is that 4,000 of my students, my boys and girls, are currently serving in the armed forces or officers. And at least 2,000 of them must have messaged me saying that, oh my God, the world has come to know about your motivation. Now we already knew. So this entire patriotism, nationalism, and this thing it's not for show, bhai. It comes from inside me because of my being an armed forces trainer. Now, when I was able to do this because I had land there, and that was what was used for this academy. If I didn't have that land, it
हाँ तो शुरू ही शायद करना मुश्किल
नहीं
रहता।
होता, possible ही
तो
नहीं।
अभी करंट सेटअप का क्या एक्सपेंसेस है एनुअल?
So we have 183 current boys on 100% scholarship, which will go up to 200. When it goes up to 200, we'll be spending around 8 CR on them.
इनका पूरा रहना, खाना, ट्रेनिंग,
पीना, रहना, education, insurance, kits, A to Z, tickets back to home and back here again once a year. Everything is taken care
तो
of.
ये आप -8 करोड़ में आ गए। पेड प्रोग्राम से कितना बना लेते हो?
Probably 4.5-5 CR. Then I get another 1.5, 2, 3, 2 CR in a good year from the
लोकल सपोर्ट हो गया?
no.
नहीं।
From my this armed forces business, जिसमें हम
अच्छा,
कोचिंग
अच्छा।
करते हैं, written for our NDA, for our CDS, for
अच्छा,
our
अच्छा,
SSB.
ओके।
तो
वो आप
I
पैसा
am
पूरा यहाँ
always
पुलाव
I am now why I want to have a senior team is तो मैं नीचे से लेके आऊँ और बेचूं। मेरा काम हो कह रहा बेचना है, मैंने ये भी बेचनी है और मैं एक और क्लब बनाऊंगा, उसको भी बेचूंगा,
क्योंकि
मैं अगला भी बनाऊंगा, उसको भी बेचूंगा। क्यों बेचूंगा? बिकॉज No one else can win the league the very first year he goes in, then again the next year 3 साल में मैं आई लीग में पहुंचा सकता हूँ, वो बाकी नहीं कर सकते। और मैं क्यों कर सकता हूँ? बिकॉज मैं जीनियस नहीं हूँ, मेरे पास फैक्ट्री है। वो प्लेयर खरीदते हैं, करोड़ों रुपए खर्च करते हैं, फिर जाके आई लीग पहुंचते हैं, इसलिए डजंट मेक सेंस टू देम टू सेल द क्लब। मैं अपने प्लेयर उठाता हूँ, उनको डालता हूँ, वो जीत जाते हैं, और मैं आई कैन डू इट नेक्स्ट ईयर अगेन एंड नेक्स्ट ईयर अगेन एंड नेक्स्ट ईयर अगेन।
And it funds the process. It
And it's
creates.
good for my players if they've gone to Punjab FC. Why not? Look at them. They're playing for an ISL team. Look at what them they
और
perfectly
पैसा
fine.
कमा रहे हैं, अच्छा
अगर
कर
होता
रहे
ना
हैं।
कि मैं उनको भेजता किसी घटिया सी जगह पे, they are well taken care of. I have now been able to fund another 100, 200 boys. So 200 plus those 120, 320 boys because of me are now totally funded in this category. What else can be better?
So-
But now I'm losing money every year. I'm falling short.
2-2.5 करोड़ शॉर्ट कर रहे हो
हाँ,
रोज
and
हर
वो
साल।
हमारे को पिकअप करना पड़ता है from either transfers or sponsors or begging or this or that, और वो जब नहीं होता फिर मेरे को लोन लेने पड़ते हैं। और मुझे पता है कि ये लोन शॉर्ट टर्म डील है,
क्योंकि जब
because
बेचोगे तो फिर
आ जाएगा, वापस आ जाएगा, बिकॉज ये मेरे सारे बच्चे मेरे एफडी हैं, फिक्स डिपॉजिट है, so one day they will mature.
They will,
हाँ, so
mature.
मेरे को आ जाएगा, so I know I'm sure of it because that's not something which can be taken away. So I'm okay in taking loans because I have done it so many times and I have paid back the loans.
तो now अब जो आप at least you have some
भाई एक
more.
बात बताओ, why can't I just stop all this and buy a Ferrari every
मैं
year
वही
and sit
बोल
at
रहा हूँ
home?
ना कि देखो अल्टीमेटली आज की डेट में आप अगर इंडियन फुटबॉल के फाइनेंसेस देखो, राइट, ऊपर से नीचे तक, लेट्स टॉक स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द टॉप, आईएसएल, राइट, क्लब्स पैसा लूज कर रहे हैं, आईएसएल क्लेम करता है कि वो पैसा लूज कर रहा है, ब्रॉडकास्टर कह रहा है भाई हमारे लाले लगे हुए हैं, ठीक है, स्पॉन्सर अब है नहीं, एक जमाने में 4-5 थे,
फेडरेशन भी,
ठीक है, प्लेयर सैलरी हम ऑफलाइन बात कर रहे थे, भाई प्लेयर की क्या गलती है, देने वाला दे रहा है, सप्लाई डिमांड डायनामिक्स
डिमांड
है,
सप्लाई की बात है,
ठीक है,
और वो
ऊपर
बताया था कि जूनियर एकेडमी को, रेजिडेंशियल एकेडमी खोलोगे, अपने आप ज्यादा निकलेंगे, कम होंगे
ठीक
प्लेयर्स।
है। नाउ सस्टेनेबिलिटी की तो कोई पॉइंट ही नहीं है अभी इस स्टेज पे। इफ आई वर टू आस्क यू कि अगले 15 साल में, 10 साल में थोड़ा रीजनेबल स्ट्रक्चर बिल्ड करना है जहां सस्टेनेबल हो, एंड आप आईएसएल रन कर रहे हो, सपोज यू हैव नो कंस्ट्रेंट्स अपने हिसाब से, जो जैसे करना
और
है
उसके
वैसा,
साथ फुटबॉल डेवलपमेंट भी होए,
यू आर, आप समझ लो कि एक
बहुत इजी है भाई, मैं बोल भी चुका हूँ। देखो भाई, इट्स वेरी वेरी इजी। You require around 20 CR, not more, to have a great league organized and put on TV in the best video HD cameras. Okay, the best specs. Now, till today, the broadcast rights of ISL or the top league of India have never been put out for auction. वो कहते बिकेगा ही नहीं, वो तो तब पता लगेगा अगर तुम डालोगे तो। कैसे नहीं बिकेगा? अब स्टार स्पोर्ट्स ऑल्सो ओन्ड द इंडियन कबड्डी लीग,
पीकेएल,
ठीक है, बट उनके जो ओनर थे ना, उन्होंने स्टैंड लिया, उन्होंने कहा कि हम नहीं करेंगे, तुम साला ऑक्शन करो। उनको ऑक्शन करनी पड़ी, स्टार स्पोर्ट्स ने ही खरीदी 180 करोड़ की,
बट एटलीस्ट एक
180 करोड़ की भाई।
हाँ,
तो अगर कबड्डी बिक सकती है 180 करोड़ की, बास्केटबॉल का डील साइन किया 120 करोड़ फॉर 5 years, around 30 crore, 20 crores a year. So you think we can't get at least, I'm not saying 80, I'm not saying 100, I'm saying at least 20.
हाँ, 10, 15, 20 करोड़
15,
कुछ
20
तो, हाँ,
नेशनल टीम को मिला लो, बाकियों को भी मिला लो, 10, 15, 20 मिल गए तो तुम्हारा खर्चा निकल गया। इसका ब्रॉडकास्ट का रहा क्या गया, तुम्हारा
नहीं,
खर्चा क्या है?
नहीं,
सो उसके बाद
हाँ।
नाउ लेट्स कम टू द क्लब्स। ये अभी 18 करोड़ की फ्रेंचाइज दे रहे
नहीं,
थे।
पहले एक सेकंड बिफोर दैट,
I'm just going to come to 18 करोड़ की फ्रेंचाइज फीस दे रहे थे।
हाँ,
इनको अभी 15 करोड़, टिल एवरीथिंग वाज गोइंग फाइन, 15 करोड़ वापस मिल रहे थे।
करेक्ट।
इसका मतलब 15 करोड़ इनटू 13 क्लब्स लगा लो तुम, 10 क्लब 150, और मतलब
हाँ,
200
200
करोड़ की इनको रेवेन्यू आ रही थी, आ रही थी रेवेन्यू।
करेक्ट।
18 करोड़ देने के बाद आ रही थी, बट उसमें से तो नहीं आ रही थी
उसमें
ना,
से
वो
नहीं
तो
आती,
अलग
अलग
रेवेन्यू
से
आ
आ
रही
रही है,
थी,
पूल से आ रही है वो,
ठीक है ना।
हाँ,
इसका मतलब 200 करोड़ की प्रॉपर्टी है ये
हाँ,
रेवेन्यू देने की,
बिटवीन ब्रॉडकास्ट एंड सम स्पॉन्सरशिप,
सारा मिलाकर 200 करोड़। क्या तुम 200 छोड़ो, 100 है, 100 छोड़ो, इफ AIFF एंड द बिगेस्ट करप्ट इडियट्स आल्सो रन इट, 50 है,
तो उसमें लीग रन हो जाएगी।
तो फाइनेंसेस में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, दिस इज ऑल फकिंग आई वॉश व्हिच दे आर डूइंग। ओके,
नहीं,
नाउ
वैसे
लेट्स
एक
नाउ
बात
लेट्स
और है, एक बात और है कि अगर आप आज फ्रेंचाइजीज को बोलो कि भाई हम सिर्फ 5 करोड़ की फीस लेंगे आपसे फ्रेंचाइज फी।
हमारा यही प्लान था, जो मैंने प्लान बना के दिया था इनको, कि 4 करोड़ रुपए की फीस लो,
हाँ
20 क्लब डालो, 80
हाँ
करोड़ आगे,
हाँ
लीग क्या, लीग का बाप चला
हाँ,
सकते हो तुम।
80 करोड़ वो आ गए, थोड़े बहुत
और
20-40
भाई
करोड़
आपको
ब्रॉडकास्ट से आ
अभी
गए।
आप 15 करोड़ वापस कर रहे थे उनको,
हम्म
तो आप 4 करोड़ नहीं वापस कर सकते इनको।
हम्म
मतलब कि आपका अगर आप you are able to return 15 crores in revenue from all the sources,
हम्म
you would have been able to return them what, at least, even if you are horrible at marketing, 2 3
हम्म
4 crores.
हम्म
So their loss from losing 35 to 40 crores a year has come down to 1 crore a year, or maybe not even that.
हम्म,
Because if you uh, teams like Kerala Blasters and all make more than that from ticket sales, or
yeah
Mohan Bagan East Bengal.
yeah yeah
So if you actually running a good house, you can actually start making money from day one in Indian football.
हम्म
Now, if I was not crazy like I am, and that's I'm telling you, I'm crazy. Only crazy people can do what I'm doing.
हम्म
If I was not crazy, I would be earning money. I have sustainable thing. My Minerva is very, very sustainable. Why the do I have to do all this scholarship shit?
हम्म।
मैं अब
हाँ पेड प्रोग्राम
मेरा नाम
चालू
बन
करो।
गया।
हाँ
भाई चिंगुटे का नाम बन गया था।
हाँ
कितनी फ्रेंचाइज है उसकी,
हाँ वही
ठीक
कह
है।
रहा हूँ ना, आप अपना
सो
नाम।
मेरा नाम बन गया।
हम्म
मैं चुप करके बैठ के अपनी फ्रेंचाइज खोल के बैठ के आराम से अपनी कॉफी पीऊंगा घर पे।
हम्म
और साल के अभी मैं 5 करोड़ कमा रहा हूँ, जो मैं खर्च रहा हूँ अपने, मैं 50 करोड़ कमाऊंगा। Why do I need to do all this shit? मेरे को क्या मिल रहा है इससे? So people have to understand who they talk against and why they talk against, and इस बंदे का मोटिव क्या है? मेरा मोटिव क्या है? You have to understand इसको इससे क्या मिलेगा? So अगर मैं पंगे ले रहा हूँ अंबानी से या रिलायंस से या एफएसडीएल से या हमारे प्रेसिडेंट से या हमारे एएफएफ से या लास्ट प्रेसिडेंट से, जो सब लेना चाहते हैं, और जब मैं लेता हूँ तो सारे सपोर्ट करते हैं, हाँ इसने बिल्कुल ठीक कहा, बट कोई नहीं करता।
हम्म
मैं क्यों कर रहा हूँ? मैं पागल हूँ? अगर सपोज मैं इन सबसे हाथ मिला लेता, आई ऑलरेडी हैव द मोस्ट सक्सेसफुल अकेडमी, आई वुड हैव हैड द मोस्ट सक्सेसफुल अकेडमी एवर, आई वुड बी अर्निंग 1000 टाइम्स। इन फैक्ट दे वुड हैव सेड कि तू ये ले ले, ये भी ले ले, ये भी ले ले, ये भी ले ले, बस चुप करके बैठ जा। बट आई डोंट डू दैट। व्हाई? बिकॉज माय ड्रीम इज टू गेट इंडिया टू द वर्ल्ड कप, एंड आई नो आई कैन डू इट, and I will sell my shot. I will sell myself and my country shot if I don't, because I know the way they're going about it is we don't need a new Sunil Chetri. We need Indian way of playing, and 100, like there's this 100 fit. We were talking before the thing, 100 boys who are fit enough to be in camps from the age of 8 to 10 to 12 and being added and filtered out and going on and on and on and on and karte within 18 you have your team. So by the way, you might think how to run ISL. The top league of the country has to have, in each team, has to have 2 players under 19 and 2 players under 21. Sorry, 2 players under 19 and 2 under 17 starting every match.
तो 4 तो ये आ गए एक्सपोजर
They
वाइज।
can only be there if they are your homegrown players. Only if you have grown them up, if they have been from your academy, they can play. Otherwise, you will fucking play with 1 player less. And they can only be substituted by another under 19 to under 19, 19 to 19. इसका मतलब मेरे हर एक गेम में 4 अंडर 19 बॉयज को गेम टाइम, 4 अंडर 19 बॉयज को गेम टाइम,
4 अंडर
8
17।
बस 2 8 अंडर 19, 8 अंडर 17 बॉयज को गेम टाइम हर एक मैच में। सो अगर 30 टीम है मेरे, क्या अब मेरे हो गए 100 बच्चे अंडर 17 के, 100 बच्चे अंडर 19 के, जिनको टॉप लेवल पे गेम टाइम मिल रहा है। ये पहली चीज करूं, और मैं करूं होम ग्रोन। तो लोग बोलते तू बकवास करनी बंद कर साले, तू अपना बिजनेस बंद कर रहा है, क्योंकि अभी तो सारे प्लेयर तेरे से ही लेंगे। तो क्यों बोल रहा है ये बात है? किसी ने ये अप्लाई कर दिया, ओ भाई मेरी इंडियन फुटबॉल आ गई जाएगी, मैंने मोहन बगान को नहीं बेचने, मैंने ईस्ट बंगाल को नहीं बेचने, मैंने बार्सिलोना को प्लेयर बेचना है, मैंने रियल मैड्रिड को प्लेयर बेचना है, मैंने पीएसजी को प्लेयर बेचना है। Stop in thinking small, start thinking big. And when will I be able to do that? When Indian football becomes big. When is that going to happen? When Indian football ranking goes up. When is that going to happen? When we've got 15 Indians playing in the Champions League. When is that going to happen? When there are 100 places like Minerva. That means, and all these in ISL guys should be opening up world-class academies, because they've got more money than me, better coaches than me, better infrastructure than me. Thereby, they should be producing better players than me. Can they? Yes, they can. They just don't want to do it. Why? No one has forced them.
कोई
You need to
ऐसा
have to force them.
कोई ऐसा क्लब है राउंड ग्लास के अलावा दैट यू थिंक इज डूइंग अ गुड जॉब
Yep.
विद यूथ?
Now, Bangalore, obviously. Bangalore was always doing it, because I don't consider them an ISL club. They're an I-League club. So they had that thing going. Other than that, now Kerala Blasters. I'm very impressed with Kerala Blasters, because for the first time I've seen their academy products have got into the under 23 Indian team, and they're actually good boys. बिकॉज एक हमारे एफसी गोवा में भी गए थे अंदर बीच में, वो गए थे बिकॉज मनोलो वाज द कोच एंड दैट वाज अ डिफरेंट थिंग. सो even if he was a good boy, I will never take him on face value because Manolo was the coach. That's what happens when you have a coach who's a club and a national country. So that's a different thing. But Kerala Blasters is doing well. I really like it. People kept on saying Odisha, Odisha. Odisha is not doing anything of its own. They were going and buying youth players. That's a different thing than going and developing your own. Kerala Blasters have homegrown players. So those three boys, the Kerala boys, they will actually bleed yellow. You have to understand what Mohan Bagan in East Bengal had, and they've killed it off, and they're not focusing on it, is the worst thing they can ever do to Bengal football. Because वो कहते हैं बंगाली नहीं है, इंडियन टीम में नहीं रहेंगे, because तुम्हारे अकेडमीज नहीं है वहाँ पे. प्रोड्यूस कौन करेगा
पहले क्या होता
तुम्हारे? The I-League title which Mohan Bagan won, because of which they were promoted to the ISL, was because of three boys who were from their own academy. They scored against Punjab FC, and they scored against East Bengal and one more club, and they got those 9 points are the ones which separated them right in the beginning from everybody else. And not once. This happened in every league. Your own boys will give your life for you. And this has to be with every club, because that shows that every club has intentions thinking of the long term. If you don't make any investments in your academy, that means you're not thinking about long term, that you might just shut tomorrow and go.
पर एक बात बताओ, अगर मैं क्लब ओनर हूँ,
मैन सिटी ने क्या किया? पहली चीज क्या की? मैन सिटी टेक ओवर किया, $400 मिलियन की वहां पे
एकेडमी खोली. बट
अच्छा,
अब
मैन्यू की बात करो.
नहीं, पर मुझे एक बात बताओ,
आप मुझे ये बताओ, मैं आई नो व्हाट यू गोना से, मैं क्लब ओनर, मैं कहूंगा मुझे क्या, मेरे पास बहुत पैसे, मैं खरीद लूंगा.
बात पैसे की नहीं है, बात रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी की है. राइट, मेरा पैसे तो चलो जो है वो है. अगर मैं कहूँ जी भाई यूथ डेवलपमेंट मेरी नहीं है रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, आप मेरी यूथ डेवलपमेंट करने से मेरा अपनी पाइपलाइन बढ़ रही है, मैं खरीदना चाह रहा हूँ, मैं खरीद रहा हूँ. ठीक है, इंडिया की यूथ डेवलपमेंट की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ना आईएसएल की होनी चाहिए, ना आईएसएल क्लब्स की होनी चाहिए.
बाइंग एंड सेलिंग क्लब्स होते हैं, वो इंडिया में नहीं है ना.
समझो
ना. क्यों नहीं है? बिकॉज दिस आईएसएल, बिकॉज देयर आर नो पुअर क्लब्स देयर. फिर उनकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी नहीं है. अगर मिनर्वा और हम खेल रहे होते तो इनके साथ हम खेलते, फिर हमारे से खरीदते. हम सेलिंग क्लब है, वो बाइंग क्लब है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं भाई साहब. जैसे ब्राइटन है, जैसे सनडरलैंड है, जैसे वुल्व्स है, बाइंग एंड सेलिंग क्लब्स. तुम्हारे 10 के 10 क्लब्स बाइंग क्लब्स हैं. वो सेल कौन करेगा? समझो इस बात को.
तो स्ट्रक्चर वाले की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है कि कुछ
ये जो मैंने रूल्स लगाए हैं. सो मैनचेस्टर यूनाइटेड for the last 60 years has always had a team, has never had a team list which has not got one or two of his academy boys starting from Sir Busby's times to Alex Ferguson to anyone. You can't tell Alex Ferguson that I have this record for 50 years, so you better put an academy boy in the team list. He'll slap you. Okay?
Deserve
so he deserved it. That's why they got in, and it's done 60 years. You think Man U can't afford to buy players? They can. They still do. But they have this. Same with Barcelona. Same with Real Madrid. अब देखो होता क्या है. एक दिन आएगा जब तुम बैंकरप्ट हो गए, और जिस दिन तुम बैंकरप्ट हो ना काका, तुम खत्म हो जाओगे. पर जिस दिन बार्सिलोना बैंकरप्ट हुआ, जो हुआ था अभी,
बिल्कुल
खत्म नहीं हुआ. They've come back fucking stronger. Why? They put all their academy boys in.
और खेल रहे हैं. क्या खेल रहे हैं?
So what I'm saying is not something. I don't know why there's so much resistance to what I say, because what I'm saying is not something, again I'm not a genius, it's not rocket science, it's what the world is doing, and it's what you're following. I'm asking you to follow the best practices.
आपके हिसाब से आईएसएल ने कहाँ गलती करी?
सबसे बड़ी गलती ये, अगर आईएसएल छोड़ो, एफएसडीएल ने, पहले आईएसएल को 10 साल थे ना, एफएसडीएल के 15 साल से कॉन्ट्रैक्ट है ये, 2010 से. नाउ इमेजिन करो, ये कह रहे हैं 2000 करोड़ हमारे लॉस हो गया, 5,000 करोड़ लॉस हो गया. वो छोड़ो, पहले इनके आईएसएल क्लब्स इतने एंटी थे, जैसे आप कह रहे थे ना, आई डोंट वांट टू डू यूथ. दे वर सो एंटी डूइंग यूथ, they had to be forced for AFC regulation. They have been given 2 crores a year per team to run their league, to run their youth teams. That's 26 or 25, 26, 30 crores a year into 10 years, 250 crores a year, 250 crores. 250 करोड़ जो इन आईएसएल क्लब्स को दिया ना, जो किसको दिया है? इन्होंने रॉय कृष्णा को दिया जाके, और पीपल लाइक
यू नो, ऑफ कोर्स यार, पैसा तो वहीं जा रहा है.
Whereas अगर तुम इसी को बोलते कि तू 100 करोड़ की एक नेशनल सेंटर ऑफ एक्सीलेंस बना ले, एएफएफ को छोड़े, वो तू खुद बनाओ, एफएसडीएल, And in 15 years, you think kind of players you would have produced?
How do you
Now,
no, but how do you rank the Reliance Academy then?
I wouldn't rank it anywhere in, I mean, saying that it's a great academy at all.
मतलब कुछ अच्छा नहीं कर रहे
ना,
हो?
उनके वहाँ आपको पता है कोटा है उनका? इनको पता है आपको सारे आईएसएल क्लब्स को साइन करने पड़ते हैं। इसीलिए रिलायंस के प्लेयर जाते हैं आईएसएल में, फिर उनके वहाँ पे रिजर्व टीम में सेकंड डिवीजन खेल के अगले साल कहीं और खेल रहे होते हैं। क्यों नहीं आए अभी तक रिलायंस के?
बट मुझे
मेरे
वैसे
को बताओ ना क्यों नहीं आए?
टेक्निकली लीग की रिस्पांसिबिलिटी तो नहीं है यूथ डेवलपमेंट।
लीग की
ये
नहीं,
रिस्पांसिबिलिटी है
भाई
कि
किसकी है? जो ओन करता है सारे राइट्स, जो माँ-बाप है, जो माई-बाप है। माई-बाप कौन है इस टाइम? एफएसडीएल। तो इनको ये अकल नहीं थी कि अगर 15 सपोज दे सी व्हाट इज द प्रॉब्लम, nobody would have paid rat's attention to me or any of the naysayers if India, because of FSDL, had reached the top 50 of the world, or if Indian football had taken such giant strides that we were developing and we could see the light at the end of the tunnel. Everyone can see it's worse than what it was before they took over. And the reason is because they did not focus on that, because I think they didn't know themselves that they're going to be here for 10 years. If they had actually known, they are, see, football development sports, FSDL, football sports development. What development have they done? Except the infrastructure and the money and the glamour. See, when you see ISL as a product, it's like watching a Ferrari. Okay? Perfect. Everything is pick and span. Or it's like watching an F1 race with a Luna actually running the F1 race. Because जो फुटबॉल अंदर है ना,
पर एक बात बताओ
वो नहीं प्रूव हुआ।
मुझे एक बात बताओ।
और ये भाई मेरी बात सुनो,
हाँ।
यार इनके
नहीं,
पास
मैं
इतने
सिर्फ
ज्यादा, इनके पास इतने फुटबॉल एक्सपर्ट्स थे, तो इनको लगता नहीं था कि दे शुड हैव फर्स्ट फोकस्ड ऑन द फुटबॉल, बिकॉज पहले 5 साल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट को कुछ नहीं किया ना, बत्ती बना के लेके रखे रहे, और 5 साल में इन्होंने सालों ने एक एकेडमी नहीं खोली। 15 साल हो गए एकेडमी नहीं खोली, 15 साल में एक एकेडमी खोली, रिलायंस यूथ फाउंडेशन। एक एकेडमी कितने प्लेयर दे दिए इंडिया को? Do you know what they could have done if they wanted? You mean to say that if they actually wanted to produce internationals and take India forward, they couldn't have? They could have. But the right people were never there in Reliance of the right thing to do the right thing. Because unless and until India had gone forward, Reliance would have not gone forward. It's totally linked to each other. Why? Because they wanted to only run the top league. But they had the rights for the entire league. They should have understood the top league can only be good if the second division is good. Second division can only be good if the third division is good. And going down to the bottom, they should have known that. And they should have focused on the bottom first and going up. They would have had a world-class product right now. I would have been the biggest fan of ISL or FSDL if they ran the entire league. They can't say that, okay, we will run ISL, but the rest we will give to the most corrupt assholes out there who will ruin everything for us.
But technically अगर आप रिलायंस के पर्सपेक्टिव से देखो एक सेकंड के लिए, मैं डिबेट कर रहा हूँ। देखो, माय पॉइंट इज कि आपकी बातें जो क्रिटिक्स हैं आपके क्या बोलते हैं, मैं आई एम देयर वॉइस टुडे, ठीक है?
That has to be done.
ठीक है?
Yeah.
So if you see from Reliance's perspective, right, they got some infrastructure development happened, अच्छे stadiums
Yes.
बने,
Yep.
they got some of the biggest set of people to invest in football.
Yep.
ठीक है? To me, I think जो ISL के जो franchise owners हैं वो शायद IPL से भी better हैं in terms of
Yep.
quality,
And professionalism.
professionalism.
Yep.
प्लेयर्स की सैलरीज बढ़ी,
Yep.
ठीक है? अब अनफॉर्चुनेटली
गलत हुआ।
पूल नहीं है और गलत भी हुआ।
हाँ, और
But-
अभी भी वो रो रहे हैं, खुद बोल रहे हैं कि प्लेयर की सैलरी इतनी क्यों है?
हाँ।
इतनी इसीलिए बिकॉज आप लोगों ने यूथ पे इन्वेस्ट नहीं
बट
किया।
एटलीस्ट
हाँ।
आपने ये तीन
But
चार
दिया, done.
दिया,
हाँ,
ठीक है?
बट ये जो किया
और
आपने,
इसके अलावा एक सेकंड,
हाँ।
इसके अलावा उन्होंने बोला जी मैं FA को पैसा दे रहा हूँ, AIFF को, ताकि जो आपका काम है वो आप थोड़ा बेटर कर पाओ। आज आप 100 रुपए कमा रहे थे, मैंने आपको 500 रुपए दे दिए जी,
ठीक है, डन।
ठीक है?
हाँ।
अब beyond a point to hold them fully responsible for the debacle that we are in, is
No.
that fair?
No, not fully responsible.
But majorly,
But majorly, yes, majorly responsible. Why? Because they had the veto power. They had the veto power on my national team coach. They had the veto power on my national teams. They had the veto power that you will only select boys from the ISL. How dare they say that? How dare they say that you will only select people from the ISL when it's a private league? It's owned by a private person. How can you say that you will select the Indian national team from a private league? And you can't select it from the national league, which is the I League, even if the player may be as good. Or maybe, and who was I talking about? I was talking about, I can give you proof. Anwar Ali was playing in the I League with me and second division. They didn't let him get selected. Why? Until he came into the ISL. Why? So, and that's been happening with a lot of players. And they are good players everywhere. Then, how come you decide if you let people go for the national camps or not? I know, if you're Europe, if you're in Real Madrid and if you're Man U, it's a different thing. अपनी औकात देखो क्या है. हमारी कंट्री की बात कर रहा हूँ. I'm not talking about FSDL. हमारी कंट्री की औकात क्या है फुटबॉल में? So we need the maximum help from our clubs. We can't have clubs telling us that we will not send players for the national team. That is the worst thing you can do. And when you do that, you're making your own country. Yeah, Saudi Arabia for the Asian Cup, they stopped their league for 1.5 months. And Ronaldo was playing, Benzema was playing. Look at them. They sent those guys on holiday, man. Why? Because they had to qualify for the World Cup. और हम करने लगे थे थर्ड राउंड में और हमने क्या किया, हम होम मैच था अफगानिस्तान के अगेंस्ट. अफगानिस्तान हमारे होम मैच में हमारे से पहले पहुंची हुई है यहाँ पे, हम बाद में पहुंच रहे हैं. और जब उनके अगेंस्ट खेलने जा रहे हैं तो वो हाई एल्टीट्यूड की जगह है, अफगानिस्तान 1 महीने से वहां पे है और हम 1 दिन पहले पहुंच रहे हैं. सो ये तो हमारी हरकतें हैं. दिस इज, एंड यू मीन टू से इफ दे कांट से दैट वी विल रन द नेशनल टीम अप टू दिस लेवल. If you want to take something over, you take the entire thing over. Then you bring in the Reliance or FSDL professionalism in the entire ecosystem, which you did in the ISL, and this would have been a great product. Because you limited yourself to just the top part, that's why it's failed. Because football can never be taken ever alone, because that's what the pyramid is, that's what the ecosystem is. You have to develop the whole ecosystem. You can't just say, I will have a great product, shiny little star on the top of the Christmas tree, but the Christmas tree will be full of shit. It can't happen.
चलो एक अब, so where we are today is कि MRA is about to end, it's ending now. सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने बोला है कि जी
by the way,
हाँ
सॉरी, जो तूने 3 चीजें मेंशन की थी ना भाई,
हाँ
कि इन्होंने इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर इंप्रूव कर दिया और फिर उसके बाद वो पैसे भी ले आए और फिर स्पॉन्सर ले आए, ये ले आए, ये सारी बातें कि कौन करता है? मार्केटिंग एंड कमर्शियलाइजेशन वाले. सो इनको मार्केटिंग एंड कमर्शियलाइजेशन पार्टनर होना चाहिए था, एंड दैट इज इट.
और वो बढ़िया हो जाता.
हाँ, हो जाता. अब फुटबॉल डेवलपमेंट के लिए यू हैव टू गेट अदर एक्सपर्ट्स व्हिच दे डिड नॉट हायर, और इवन इफ दे हायर्ड, दे डिडंट हैव द वीटो पावर्स. They did hire good football people, but they did not have any veto powers. The decisions were being made by people in the Reliance who were looking at it only from a commercial point of view and not from the nation. They don't realize unless and until the nation does well, the ISL will never do well.
पर एक बात है भाई कि मतलब I don't think personally, देखो missteps हुए हैं, no doubt about it. Situation खराब है, no doubt about it. We have moved backwards, वो भी है. But I don't think intention, execution गलत हो सकती है.
इंटेंशन ठीक नहीं थी. एक मैं टेल यू इंटेंशन कितनी गंदी थी इनकी. इन्होंने नया कॉन्ट्रैक्ट का क्या ऑफर दिया है, पता है आपको कुछ?
हाँ, पर यार अब वो लॉस अगर कोई ले रहा है, नहीं लेना चाहता.
तो अच्छा, क्या लॉस?
हाँ,
एक समथिंग नोन एज कॉन्ट्रैक्ट लॉ. ओके, the first contract they signed was so illegal in the way of the contract law because it was so heavily favored towards them. Different thing, let's not go there. नया कॉन्ट्रैक्ट तो सुनो इनका क्या था. नया कॉन्ट्रैक्ट ये था that we will have these rights in perpetuity. What the fuck do you mean by perpetuity? That means not your kids, not my kids, my kids, they'll still own the rights. If there is football, no football. Nuclear war destroys everything. Football gets destroyed. But in FSDL will still hold the rights. We will move to Mars. But they will still hold the rights. Perpetuity is the word they used. And how much money were they offering AFF? Zero. For holding the right for perpetuity, they wanted to give zero money to Indian football. You mean to say they were doing...
नहीं, मैं कह रहा हूँ मत लो ना भाई.
ओ यार,
कोई नहीं, मत लो.
ये क्या ऑफर है?
नहीं, मेरी बात सुनो.
मेरे को ये बताओ, तुम ये कैसा ऑफर दे रहे हो?
I'll tell you a perspective.
एक बताओ, ये
वर्ड, सही है.
ये वर्ड जो तुमने यूज किया,
मैं पर्सपेक्टिव देता हूँ.
परपेचुइटी का पर्सपेक्टिव दो.
नहीं, परपेचुइटी का मैं डिफेंड नहीं कर रहा भाई.
मेरे को इसका पर्सपेक्टिव,
मैं डिफेंड नहीं कर रहा. मैं आपको यही बोला शुरू से, बाहर भी आपको ये बोला, आपके सारे इंटरव्यूज ऐसे रहते हैं कि लोग 99% आप बात तो सेंसिबल करते हो, तो लोग आपके साथ सेंसिबल बातें करते हैं. मैं इस इंटरव्यू में बैठा हूँ एज अ क्रिटिक. मैं बोल रहा हूँ आई एम द वॉइस ऑफ एनीवन हु क्रिटिसाइजेस.
तो मैं इसीलिए पूछ रहा हूँ ना.
मैं अब आपको बता रहा हूँ, मैं डिफेंड नहीं कर रहा. मैं इस चीज को डिफेंड नहीं कर सकता कि परपेचुइटी में है नहीं है. मैं आपको एक सिंपल पर्सपेक्टिव
ये
दे रहा हूँ।
ये
मैं
आपको
एक
बताओ, ये
पर्सपेक्टिव दे रहा
इविल
हूँ।
कॉर्पोरेशन नहीं है।
नहीं मैं एक
इविल
मेरी
कॉर्पोरेशन
बात तो सुनो।
परपेचुटी के लिए सारा कुछ दे
अरे
दो,
बात तो सुनो।
हमेशा के लिए दे दो सब कुछ,
मेरी
और
बात
तू
सुनो,
क्या देगा?
मेरी बात सुनो। एक पर्सपेक्टिव है। सपोज मैंने एक चीज में इन्वेस्ट करना शुरू किया, वो चीज फॉर सम रीजन मेरे को समझ में आई कि नहीं बन रही
नहीं
बात,
बनने वाली,
नहीं बन रही
अब
बात।
मैं इसकी कैसे लूं?
नहीं यार,
हाँ,
सुन
तो
तो
फिर
लो यार।
यही तो था।
नहीं, कैसे लूं की बात नहीं है ना यार, कैसे लूं की बात नहीं है। देखो, इट isn't it a perspective to say कि मैंने 10-15 साल एक चीज ट्राई करी, फॉर सम रीजन कमर्शियली वायबल नहीं हो पा रही, पैसे भी लॉस हो रहा है और ऐसे कोई इंडियन फुटबॉल आगे भी नहीं बढ़ पा रही, या तो मैं छोड़ दूं, वो भी सही है, और या मैं कोई ऐसा स्ट्रक्चर बनाने की कोशिश करूं जहां पे सब थोड़ा थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा लॉस लें, थोड़ी डिसीजन मेकिंग डिफरेंट हो. So to say that I don't want to I'm not defending perpetuity, and I'm not even defending कि
जीरो मनी,
but to say कि भाई सब लोग मिलजुल के लॉस लेते हैं, रिस्क स्प्रेड करते हैं,
risk
it's a perspective.
yeah, but how is it
By the way,
okay?
I'm also
No,
not.
no, but I'm saying how is it? See, then comes the okay. So when the COA came in and the Supreme Court, I was very fortunate to be part of the when the Constitution was being written, and I made the chapter on conflict of interest, which is put there word to word with the chapter I made. The conflict of interest partner says that a private company or a private entity can never own or have any alienable rights to any national league or national teams of the country, because there comes conflict of interest.
Correct.
Okay. So when you have such a huge conflict of interest, you cannot say I want 20% of the league or 34% of the league.
फिर responsibility लो.
So I say marketing, commercialization, अगर प्रॉफिट होएगा 80% मेरा, 70% मेरा, 50% मेरा, 20% मेरा, अगर लॉस होएगा हम सारे बांटेंगे, मान लो. ये क्या मतलब I will fucking have 30% for perpetuity and I will not give you call? ये क्या मतलब है? कौन सी डील है? ये कहाँ की डील है? Perpetuity for zero. I mean perpetuity for zero.
अब मैं आपको एक
So now I'm saying now they
Hmm.
have to see, you have to come to a proposal where I can understand that they're giving this deal because they don't want their money to be corrupted by the opposite party sitting there. कि perpetuity के zero तेरे को कुछ नहीं मिलने वाला साले, don't even eye this money. But actually looking at it, they also knew that this deal was not going to be taken.
Correct.
They've done, so people don't understand. They've done this जानबूझ के. They have, so with your show, let me break it to everybody. So Reliance has been, so the head of Reliance person जो भी run करते हैं इनको, has given personal phone calls to all the owners of all the ISL teams in the last month period that we're shutting down. We're shutting down this league. We don't want to be doing this anymore. They are actively trying to get out of it. I had predicted this from day one. The reason of not giving, not even FSDL, never even having a franchise as a club, because the franchise is a private company. It's a business. Business have bottom lines. Football is not about bottom lines. Bottom lines decide everything in a company because it has fucking shareholders. So Indian fans need to fucking understand that no matter how much you love your whatever club you have, the day your owner thinks the other company is suffering and he needs more funds, this is his side, not his hustle, not his business, his shonk. Okay? The days other businesses are getting defunct, like the ये पुणे FC गई थी, उनका वो होता इतनी सारी गई थी, उस दिन उन्होंने दुकान बंद कर लेनी है. जो अब, और फिर तुम क्या करोगे? मगर जैसे क्लब्स हैं, फॉर एग्जांपल मोहन बगान, ईस्ट बंगाल, मोहम्मदन स्पोर्टिंग, चर्चिल ब्रदर्स, जो लेगेसी क्लब्स वो इतने साल से, उनके घर के भांडे भी बिक जाएंगे ना, तो क्लब नहीं बंद करेंगे.
मेरे एक बहुत अजीज दोस्त हैं, समीर थापड़, आप जानते होंगे. I mean, we used to talk a lot about JCT with him, and उनको दुख लगता था कि भाई मेरे दादा ने ये क्लब शुरू किया और मेरे अंडर something happened, but the fact of the matter is, because अपना main business जब सफर कर रहा है, ये side है ना,
सुना ना, वही ना, but actually he tried to actually get into Indian football. He was forced out.
Correct.
So वो election and this and that, तो उनकी जितनी ली, nobody would have wanted to be there. उनको he was made the pariah. So I understand all that, but now at a stage when, for example, your own business is not doing well and is actually shutting down, then that's the last of your priority. Whereas a football club only running as a football club, there is no business. That is the business. That is the only thing. ठीक है? Whereas If it's a company owning that, it's totally different. So you have to understand that franchisees or private companies have other interests other than football. That is why a commercial entity cannot be ever asked to be doing this. That is why there are conflict of interest rules. Now, if you want to actually do something, all these ISL clubs can, people think, oh, ISL will shut down. एक और ये misconception है fans में, ओ हमारे क्लब्स शट डाउन, क्लब्स नहीं
नहीं
शट
क्यों
डाउन होने वाले.
नहीं देखो मेरा ये पॉइंट ऑफ
हाँ,
व्यू है
क्लब्स
जैसे
कभी शट डाउन नहीं
जैसे
होंगे
अगर
यार.
आप एक अभी आप AIFF में हो राइट और ठीक है सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने बोला कि आप ट्राई टू नेगोशिएट अ डील राइट
और अगर ना हुई,
लेट्स से ना हुई
हाँ.
हो गई चलो बहुत अच्छी बात
हाँ
है
होगी तो प्रॉब्लम ही
हाँ
सॉल्व
बढ़िया
है.
हाँ लेट्स से ना हुई हाउ डिफिकल्ट इज इट टू से मैं आई लीग और ISL के क्लब्स 20 25 22 23 क्लब्स हैं और पोटेंशियली 4-5 और हैं जो आना चाहते होंगे ठीक है उन सबको मैं लाऊं
बहुत
एक
आसान है,
20 टीमों की लीग चालू करूं
बहुत आसान है,
सिर्फ 4-5 करोड़ की एक फ्रेंचाइज फी लेता हूं विच
बहुत
इज
आसान है.
और प्लेयर सैलरीज को थोड़ा सा रेगुलेट करता
भाई
हूं
आसान है.
राइट
भाई प्लेयर कैप
आप
लगाओ.
एक सेकंड 100 करोड़ आपके फ्रेंचाइज फी से आ रहे हैं
हम्म,
10-20 बार जैसे आपने पहले बोला 10-20 करोड़ तो कोई टीवी की राइट्स कुछ तो होगी 10-20 करोड़ तो स्पॉन्सर आएंगे 130-40 करोड़ की किटी आपकी क्रिएट हो गई आप आपका ऑपरेशनल खर्चा प्लेयर का खर्चा वैसी टीम के सर पे है राइट मतलब सारा मैच डे ऑप्स तो उनको
हाँ, सारा कुछ,
सारा तो
एवरीथिंग.
वही
सो
तो कर
यू
रहे
आर
हैं
ओनली लुकिंग आफ्टर बेसिकली जस्ट द
ठीक है
ऑर्गेनाइजेशन
तो
पार्ट.
आप उस 130-40 करोड़ में से जो आपको 50 करोड़ FSDL से मिल रहे थे पहले उसको आप साइड करो वहीं यूज करना था जहां यूज करो 60-70-80 करोड़ बचते हैं उससे शानदार सी लीग चालू स्टार्ट करो व्हाई कांट दिस हैपन
इट कैन.
व्हाई इज इट सो डिफिकल्ट
It's
फॉर
not.
अस टू फैथम कि हमारी एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव बॉडी खुद क्यों फटी में घूम रहे हैं कि भाई ये नहीं होगा तो क्या होगा ISL बंद तो नहीं हो जाएगी किसी और के पास जाना पड़ेगा टाइम नहीं है क्यों फटी में घूम रहे हैं हम इतना व्हाई कांट वी जस्ट से कि भाई इट्स ऑफ कोर्स आई वुड प्रेफर कि डील हो जाए तो बहुत ही अच्छी बात है सब कुछ मेंटेन रहेगा देन वी लुक एट इंप्रूविंग थिंग्स
Because
राइट
as you said, I'm not allowed to take names because end of the day, it totally depends on the leader. And if your leader is a chutia, there is no other way.
नाम नहीं लो तो अच्छा है
हाँ, बस मैंने लीडर बोला भाई. I can be talking about anyone.
हाँ
If the leader is a chutia, there's no chance you will do well. There's no chance that he will ever be, they will ever be able to come up with any kind of solution. Even if they are about to, he will screw it up in some way. Unless and until he knows he can make some money off it, he's never going to be part of anything. Simple as that. He was what he was wanting to do, along with Mr. Other leader, which was the secretary, who I put a case on, and he was out because again he was conflict of interest, Kerala Super League wala. So he was wanting to get all state leagues off, and I League off, and all other leagues off, and only have franchisees. So they were going to kill all Indian football if I had not got rid of the guy. His next plan was that all the state leagues like Delhi League, Calcutta
सब
League,
में
all these, there's no,
केरला सुपर
all
लीग
these
टाइप
clubs are off
franchise leagues
franchise leagues, and that league will qualify for the I League and then ISL. So he was going to do what ISL to everybody. So the guy, suppose I have come in,
हाँ कोई लोकल क्लब
I'll
चल
tell you,
रहा है
I'm a gambler, okay, and I want to fix football. I will buy a club in the I League for 2 crore rupees, fix it. 2 years के बाद I'll buy a volleyball. 2 years के बाद I'll buy a kabaddi club. 2 years के बाद I'll do this.
भाई व्हाट विल यू से टू पीपल हु से कि रंजीत बजाज बोलते हैं पर खुद एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन में क्यों नहीं आ रहे
हाँ, because administration में चुतिये भरे हुए हैं. Exactly. See, I'll tell you. Unfortunately, in our country, the constitution when it was made, the state sports is a state subject.
करेक्ट
And until and unless your state is under the national federation, you can keep on doing whatever you want and they're not going to change. So right now, if I have to come in, I have to ask votes from all these states who are the most corrupt people. See, what is the federation? What is AIFF? AIFF is an amalgamation of all the states put together. That is AIFF.
करेक्ट
So if there's one chutia at the top, there are also others, they're all chutias. Why? Because they have been born and brought up in this system. You scratch my back, I scratch yours.
तो
They
आपको
will
ये
give
लगता
they
है
will give a vote to the president and they will expect something back from him. What did these states get this time? They got 30 lakh rupees a year from our coffers. किसके budget काम किए हैं? Women's budget, I League budget, junior budget. All have been reduced by 50% in the last 3 years since our great leaders taken over. And where's their money gone? They've given 30 lakhs a year as grants to states. States ने क्या किया है? अपने आप के president, secretary, मेरे मम्मा, मेरा चाचा, मेरे ताए, तीनों को सैलरियां लगा दी हैं लाख लाख रुपए की. This is where the money is going. So this is what is happening in our country. So otherwise, how difficult is it? Bhai, all of us can organize bloody Sunday league matches and tournaments. And if a normal person can do it with one phone, you mean to say they can't organize a league? There are the ISL clubs, there are billionaires who own that. There are people like Par Jindal who have shares in, who are owners of IPL clubs, and they have whole sports divisions. They can run the thing for you. In fact, I'm talking about when they say
professional.
GSW, that means they can professionalize it because you have such professional people there already. So for them, it's a matter of a day. I'm not kidding. In one day,
correct.
24 hours,
पूरा structure
they
clean
can,
कर सकते हैं.
oh, they can start broadcast from day after tomorrow. That's how powerful each and every owner in the IS, other than poor John Bhai. Other than poor John Bhai, everybody else, they are bloody billionaires. They can do it on their, each of them can organize this league on their own. And if it's just for organization, I can do it. All the I-League clubs can do it. When we were going to do it. So the thing was that this is what the I-League clubs came up with, that all the ISL clubs and I-League clubs give 4 crores a year and we come up with a league. And we already had a broadcaster. Sony was interested in broadcasting this new league free of cost without taking any money from the clubs for broadcasting. So, पैसे खर्च होते थे हमारे इसमें. They saying, Sony said we'll do the production also. If you get the ISL clubs on, we will do production also for free. तो तुम्हारे तो खर्चे खत्म हो गए. तो तुम्हारे ना प्रोडक्शन के पैसे हैं ना उसके पैसे, तुम्हारे रह क्या गया? फिर रह क्या गया है? So it's very doable. So when you see things like this, it's very sad because here on one side you have Indians organizing the most successful commercial league, the most glamorous league, the most valuable league in the world, the IPL, beating the kicks ass out of each and every other league there. All the leagues, MLS, MLB, NBA. And then you have I-League, जिसका अभी तक चैंपियन डिसाइड नहीं हुआ है क्योंकि वो भी चर्चित चली गई है वहां आगे, और जिसका रेलीगेशन भी डिसाइड हुआ है वो भी चले गए कैस SC बेंगलुरु वाले. तो ये तो इनकी हालतें हैं. तो ये तो कभी मेरे को गालियां इसलिए पड़ रही थी कि तूने क्या किया, तूने ISL डिस्ट्रॉय कर दिया, यू गोइंग टू से दैट दे आर गोइंग टू ऑर्गेनाइज. इनसे तो ये नहीं हो रहा. No, I'm not saying that. So why I don't get into administration is when I wrote that constitution, we started Justice Dave and Mr. Qureshi, who's Chief Election Commissioner. They said कि रंजीत क्या फायदा है इसका, because फिर कोई करप्ट आ जाएगा, कोई और आ जाएगा, इसके बाद कोई और आ जाएगा. तो हमने क्या सोचा कि हमने ऐसा बनाना कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, if the most corrupt person in this whole planet comes here, even he should not be able to corrupt. That was unfortunately a starting point. So what did we do? We put so many checks and balances in that. And also we made sure that we have defined responsibilities which each state association has to do. Then a district association has to do. If they're not doing, consequences. Next year they are banned. And not only just banned, because if I suppose ban a club, or sorry, a state, I'm not harming those players, I'm harming the entire state. So kya karte hain? You ban them, have elections, and have someone else come and take over, the one who says I can do it. So it's not banning the state, it's banning those guys. Never banning the state. हम यहाँ करते हैं जैसे ये FIFA है, ये क्या करती है? कंट्री को बैन कर देती है. कंट्री को तुम बैन करो, तुम उनकी और ले रहे हो. सेम वे विद द इंडियन गवर्नमेंट, हम उनको सपोर्ट करेंगे जो मेडल ले सकते हैं. और भाई साहब वो मेडल ले सकते हैं, उनको तुम्हारी सपोर्ट की जरूरत नहीं है. We won't support football. Why? Oh, because they don't have a medal chance, or they are not in the top 8. How the will we ever get in the top 8 if you don't support us? So, everything is opposite here. See, I'll give you an example with this same thing. Scheduled caste, OBCs, reservations. Why are they there in our country? Why were they there started? They were there because there was a weaker class. We wanted to help them. And we wanted to give them extra help because they were not strong.
मतलब एक baked in disadvantage
था. और तुम स्पोर्ट्स में तुम उल्टा करते हो कि साले ये जो बंदे हैं ना, ये मेडल ला सकते हैं, इनको पैसे दो, ये घटिया चल भाग जाए ऐसे. So how are we going to do it? So this is the thinking in this. And now with like you said, can't we organize it? Bhai, it's a matter of 1 week. And I promise I will get into administration the day I know that the states listen to AIFF and they have to follow AIFF. If I know they can do whatever they want, मैं
प्लस
घर
उनके
बैठ के AFF president,
नहीं
AFF
नहीं बट
president,
आप उनके
AFF secretary,
हाँ
AFF treasurer, क्या फायदा है?
पर आप उनके वोट पे भी मोहताज हो
Vote, I have to. Otherwise, it's you scratch my. See, bhai, it's very simple. You scratch my back, I scratch yours. It's working in every state, and every state has voted because of that and nothing else. And he knows it, and that's why he's given them that money. And he's openly giving them that money. Till today, there was nothing known as grants to states. He's giving 30 lakh grants to each state. Where's that money coming from? Budget तो इतना ही है. और जो पैसे आते हैं, यहाँ पे मैं लोन लेके जा रहा हूँ इनको बाहर. अगर होता ना कि तू इंडियन टीम को भेज देता, ठीक है, तू मिनर्वा को नहीं देना है, तू इंडियन टीम को भेज दे कहीं जूनियर कंपटीशन में. 8 करोड़ रुपए मिले थे साई से फॉर 2 years. 4 करोड़ यूज किए, 4 करोड़ वापस कर दिए. पैसे है नहीं हमारे पास. 4 crore, and this was basically day for yesterday in the headlines of the paper. It was asked in the parliament that they've returned 4.5 crores because they didn't just utilize it. So when I'm saying you have leadership which is so incompetent, there's no
मतलब
chance.
अंदर जाके क्या ही कर पाओगे फिर
There's no chance.
एंड यू विल बी फ्रस्ट्रेटेड सो चलो बहुत बहुत लंबा हो गया अब नाउ लास्ट
और बताओ कोई क्रिटिसिज्म है तो.
अभी एक राउंड 2 करना पड़ेगा आपके साथ बट एक जस्ट ऑन एन एंडिंग नोट हियर राइट सो व्हाट would be an optimal solution right now according to you of this
Of the current
ISL
impasse,
crisis?
I'll tell you, I'll even predict what's going to happen.
नहीं पहले प्रिडिक्ट से पहले आप ये बताओ ऑप्टिमल क्या है?
Optimal यही है कि immediately they should come together and not they should not be so obstinate when FSDL saying crap like that अगर तुमने देना है तो हमारे को 10 साल का दो हम नहीं करेंगे. What the f do you mean by that? You have a contract till December. एक तो मुझे समझ नहीं आया कि तुम लोग यही तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ ना कि जो फुटबॉल वाले बंदे ने नहीं लिखा कॉन्ट्रैक्ट.
सीजन
फुटबॉल वाला बंदा दिसंबर कैसे पा सकता है कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में यार?
और एक ग्लोबल कैलेंडर चल रहा है
So
भाई.
this is first of
आप
all,
ट्रांसफर मार्केट में जी
why
रहे
no
हो.
one is asking them that question? Who the hell designed this
दिसंबर
contract?
में हाँ.
कि दिसंबर में तुमने खत्म क्यों किया? चलो खत्म हो गया, तुमने
हाँ.
मरवा लिया अपनी वहां पे, बट नेक्स्ट कम टू द नेक्स्ट. दिसंबर में कर दिया, तुम 4 महीने एग्री करके तुम कर लो पोस्टपोन. उसमें क्या है? तुम्हारे को अगर सपोज यू गिविंग 50 करोड़, 25 करोड़ और दे दो एएफएफ को. एएफएफ भी बहुत खुश होएगी कि 25 करोड़ मिल गया उनको और 4 महीने का सीजन भी हो गया, एवरीथिंग इज सॉर्टेड. तुम सिर्फ 25 करोड़ के लिए कर रहे हो इतना ड्रामा. मतलब यू यूजिंग दिस एज अ थिंग इन माय नेक कि साले दे और ऑल योर प्लेयर्स आर गोना डाई हंग्री. That's what they are doing.
And not just that यार मतलब देखो अल्टीमेटली अगर एक सीजन नहीं चलता
भाई
तो परफॉर्मेंस देखो ना कितनी डिप.
नेशनल टीम की अब हम जा रहे हैं विदाउट एनी प्रैक्टिस मैचेस प्लेइंग. And then we'll be playing those big matches, the AFC qualifiers, then again we'll have no matches. So that's a huge thing for us. Then after that, the public image of all football in the world is getting screwed.
मजाक चल रहा है.
Why? Because some company says that कि मैंने नहीं करना because ये contract तुम करो 10 साल के लिए, perpetuity के लिए फ्री में, नहीं तो मैंने करना ही नहीं है.
चलो कमिंग बैक अब
But करो.
आपके हिसाब से क्या ऑप्टिमल
मेरा
सोल्यूशन है?
नहीं जो मैंने बोला
एक ये लीग तो ये साल तो चला हूं.
हाँ ये साल चलना है.
हाँ.
और अगर ये कहते हैं सपोज दे से दैट वी कांट डू इट, लाइक आई जस्ट सेड, यू डू इट ऑन योर ओन. ये क्यों इतना हम उसमें क्यों फंसे हुए हैं कि ओ माय गॉड मर जाएंगे, होएगा ही नहीं, इन्होंने मना कर दिया. क्यों नहीं होएगा? हाँ तुम मे बी इफ यू डू इट सो फास्ट एंड समबडी एल्स डज इट, it may not be as glamorous and as good and as that, but it'll still happen. The league will still happen. Now what I think should happen is, now when the new whatever the constitution, when it comes in, I really hope they've not made any changes to it. Why I'd never want to get into administration is that you should be at your forte wherever you think you're good. Right now I don't think I'm good wearing a suit. I think I'm good on the field. I think I'm going to be most useful when I'm on the field. It should be where you're able to make the most difference. Okay, so what is, for example, in my academy, which is the most important team for me, even if it's an I-League team playing, my 6 and 7-year-olds who joined last month. Why? Those are the guys I can affect the most. Change
Do
the
you
most.
rate yourself as the best developmental coach in the country?
No man. Not in the country, there are best developmental coach out of 0 coaches in the country. Great.
अरे मतलब यार
है ही नहीं कोई साले, है ही नहीं
यार,
कोई, क्या बात कर.
आप छोटी सी जगह पे
भाई,
जाओ, लोग लगे
भाई,
हुए हैं ना यार.
भाई,
मेरा
नहीं,
पॉइंट है
नहीं,
आप
नहीं,
आई
नहीं.
डिसएग्री विद यू कि
No.
यू आर बेस्ट सूटेड ऑन द pitch. This is my personal opinion.
I'll tell you, no, I'm not. Pitch means it should not, when you walk into the federation office, तुम्हारे को उल्टी आने की जरूरत नहीं चाहिए. You feel like fucking vomiting every time I go there.
भाई लेकिन आप ये भी सोचो ना, अगर कुछ क्लीन करना है, गंदगी क्लीन करनी है,
हाँ, तो वो
तो
कभी
गटर में तो घुसना पड़ेगा
नहीं,
ना।
नो प्रॉब्लम, बट लॉज भी तो ऐसे होने चाहिए ना जो सपोर्ट अस। अगर लॉ ये है कि गटर वाला जो है ही इज गोइंग टू बी द राजा, और you are allowed to make as much pollution as you want and whatever, I mean, no,
हम्म
that's totally opposite, then what's the point? If you now have the new constitution which is going to come in, it's going to support the right things, it's going to do that, then everything changes now, then I have some support there.
हम्म,
But at the same time, again, I mean, my worst nightmare is going for photo ops, going to Switzerland to sit in the FIFA meeting. I was thinking that, for them it's the highlight of their career and they want to put up those photos on Insta. It's the, I mean, it would be a nightmare for me. Just going and sitting with those old men and sitting, it's not challenging me. Yes, now after 10 years, after 15 years,
maybe.
once India has got somewhere to a level when I say, okay, fine, the system is in place. System is in place. See, the system has to be in place because, like Mira Minerva, mein, it's a factory. You shut it down today, tomorrow more kids will be brought there, they'll also be produced to the players. So again and again, it's very, very simple. We have to have a proper system in place. And you said, what is the correct way? Correct way to do it now is we have to make sure that there is a tender called, but only for marketing and commercialization. All the ISL and I League clubs have to come together on one platform, even second division, all professional clubs. And we have to have a 4 division league, and we have to have it as soon as possible. Minimum of 18 clubs. Now, because I know India is a huge country and the costs are unbearable, you have a Western and Northern Eastern Conference. No problem.
हाँ,
You save money
money,
that way.
हाँ, correct.
But and then what do? Then the top 6 you play against each other, bottom 6 you play.
यूएस की लीग्स करती हैं
Yeah,
ईस्टर्न
but you
कॉन्फ्रेंस
do
में।
that. But you can't, and then you have to have promotion and relegation. You can't just say because you are rich, you're not going to do that. What the hell do you mean that I've invested so much of money and I don't want to go down? Barcelona fucking does that every year. Man U does that every year. Man City does that. They don't say give us relegation protection. So you can't say that. And how come your value of money is more than ours? So if an I League club is spending 20 crores just because he is worth 50 crores, he's spending 20. You are worth 1,000, you're spending 500. So how is your money more valuable than ours? So it's not about the money. It should always be about the merit. The statutes of FIFA clearly state principles of promotion and relegation have to be there. How can you be the odd one out? Okay, maybe this has given you great success and development. Follow it. Now you've tried it for 10 years.
नहीं चला।
नहीं चला, नहीं हुआ, तो stop going after it. Along with perpetuity, zero money. That's the third thing I had to anti against them. They said no promotion relegation again. Now, why is that huge? Because I personally have fought for this and I have gone to AFC, and AFC secretary and FIFA and AFF president at that time have all signed on it and promised all the I League clubs that, okay, don't go to court right now. 2018, we have relegated the entire, so what they did was overnight relegated the entire second division and made them the top division because they were richer than us. That is the only criteria, because we couldn't pay 18 crores to Ambani. That's the only criteria. And we said, okay, fine, we won't go, because we would have had a great case. We won't go to court. They promised us and wrote it that we started in 2023, 2022, 23, 24, 25. And now they've done 2 clubs. The 2 clubs they've taken in also because they are still Punjab FC and Mohammedan Sporting both paid franchise fees. Yes, they were champions, but they paid franchise fees. So,
चैंपियन होते और नहीं फी देते तो क्या होता?
कुछ नहीं, उनको वहां से वो ना मिलता, रेवेन्यू ना मिलता।
नहीं, बट लेते क्या?
क्या लेते क्या?
मतलब ऊपर तो लेना ही पड़ता है
हाँ,
ऐसा।
नहीं, मना कर दिया था। They had said, no, we are not going to do it. Yes, you can come in, but you have to fulfill the financial criteria. So the financial criteria was what? Franchise fees. तो फिर चैंपियन बनने की क्या जरूरत है? वो तो मैं ऐसे ही आ जाऊंगा. Why do I have to be champion? That was just eyewash, na? कि चलो एक बार ले लिया, चुप करा दो. And now they've said, the moment they got a chance, perpetuity, zero money, and no again probation relegation. See, the moment you do that, my problem is that you kill all competitiveness in the last 3, 4, 5 clubs. 50% league, after 50% becomes dead. They play for next season कि हमारी इंजरी ना होए, आराम से खेलो, and there's an
जो मालूम है
understanding.
जो नहीं अच्छा परफॉर्म कर रहा है वो पीछे शांति हो
I
गई।
mean, if you play, so what your habits are, you are in. So when from there you select the national team, then they go play like that, and they say ऐसे क्यों खेलते हैं? Because वो जान मैच में नहीं लगाते हैं. Each of them is getting 2 crore rupees. Why should I fucking tackle you, man? Or you tackle me? Because we are very, very happy. So everything from minute one of the league was done in a way which was the anti of what football is successful for.
क्या प्रेडिक्शन है आपकी, क्या होने वाला है अभी?
Prediction भी है और hope भी है कि they come to their senses and they make sure that the league happens this year immediately. And main thing is that I hope Supreme Court gives them a direction of saying that don't just look at it for this and have a longer approach. Because the Supreme Court has already said in its constitution that you can only be a marketing and commercial partner. I would love for FSDL to do that. There's no better partner to have. There's no better partner than Reliance and FSDL to be our marketing and commercial partners. But not our owners, but marketing and commercial partners. There's no one better. They have done what they have done with the ISL. No one could be it. When I watched the match, it looks like not the football. Everything around it looks like the Premier League.
एक चीज विवेक, so you spoke about like 10-15 years ago you might get into administration and stuff.
No, not ago. After. Later.
So we've spoken to a lot of people outside football and all the decision makers. One thing I've seen is multiple people are talking behind the back of multiple people about multiple people. So I know you will get into administration 15 years.
No, but I don't do that. I talk on people's faces.
No.
I don't talk behind back.
What I want to know is, do you guys also at some point feel, which I feel as a football fan and an Indian, all the big decision makers, at some point, I think everyone needs to also put their egos aside and come to a table. Like, do you feel like talking to other owners and
no. See,
president?
So no, not the not the president. See, because once it's tried and tested, you only try and test something once you get a proof that it's not working. अगर एक बार बल्ब फ्यूज है, तो मैं अगर 4 बारी लाइट ऑन करूंगा ऑफ होगा, वो ऑन नहीं हो जाएगा. वो बल्ब फ्यूज है, तो there's no point of doing it unless you change the bulb. But every other stakeholder, all stakeholders talk to each other and they help each other. I think everyone's on the same page. Why you think if they're not? I think everyone is.
हाँ, सबको फुटबॉल तो improve करना है.
Because the end of the day, why I got the amount of love I got for this victory is because the dream is the same. Why do non-football fans, so like he was saying, non-football fans have given me more love for this than the football fans. Okay? Why? Because even there for them,
India
the dream
तो
is same, India. और मैं क्या इंडिया सारे क्या इंडिया कर रहे हैं. और मुझे प्रॉब्लम कहाँ पे थी? Because ISL इंडिया नहीं कर रहा था and they were putting their league on top, and like he's saying, what's that they are right, and they're saying yes, they're totally right. Why? Because they're a private limited company and that's how they think. If it's a company, they will always think like what's the best decision for the bottom line, and they were right in doing that because they're a company. That's how a company thinks. That's the whole point. A company cannot run, so they can run a commercial and marketing thing, and we all come to a table where the table is made in a way that there is no guy who can say that you will do what I want you to do no matter what. We don't need dictators. We need partnerships. So first it was FSDL who was the dictator telling everybody what to do. Now it's the federation who's doing the same. And sometimes you have good dictators also, man, who get work done. But when you have dictators who do this, then you have to stand up against them. And I really wish that I don't die before India gets to the World Cup. That's the whole thing.
Host करवा देते हैं.
भाई वो नहीं करना यार, बस कर दिया ना बात. मैं इतनी सीरियस बात तेरे को बोल रहा था अपने दिल से चुपती हुई कि I hope I don't die before that, कहता होस्ट करवा देते. हाँ, वो तरीका है. That's always there.
देखो मैं
That's always there.
मतलब your emotion.
Two things we need to know about women's football and India's new head coach. We want definitely hear about that.
Okay, so see, women's football and women will get to the World Cup much faster than the men.
यार मेरे को
I guarantee
एक स्पेसिफिक क्वेश्चन पूछना है वुमेन्स फुटबॉल का. मोमेंटम बहुत लोग बातें कर रहे हैं वुमेन्स फुटबॉल मोमेंटम अच्छा है. a lot of people are saying we can definitely men से पहले आएगा उनके, they'll be able to make it and all that. But actually if you look at 6-7 years ago we were momentum better था. पब्लिक इमेज बेटर नहीं होगी, पीआर बेटर नहीं होगी. हम टॉप 50 में थे उस टाइम, 48-49 पहुंचे थे.
समझा देता हूं कि एवरी टाइम वी यूज्ड टू प्ले बांग्लादेश, Nepal, Afghanistan, we knew the Indian women will give them 6 or 7 goals guaranteed.
मोमेंटम बेटर था, हमारी रैंकिंग बेटर
हम्म।
थी. वी वर एट वन पॉइंट, आई रिमेंबर, 8 टीमें एशिया से जा रही थी, हम 9th थे कि भाई वी वर 9th या 10th, वी वर 1 or 2 स्लॉट्स.
राइट.
अब हम कहते हैं 65 हैं, हम एशिया में 12वें 13वें हैं, पर क्योंकि बात ज्यादा हो रही है और पीआर मशीनरी इज बिहाइंड विमेन्स फुटबॉल, पीपल आर आस्किंग अबाउट विमेन्स
I'll
फुटबॉल.
tell you because unfortunately they're comparing the women results to the men's results.
हाँ, ये हो रहा है.
तो फिर वो हांगकांग को बांट रही हैं या वो
हाँ,
बांग्लादेश या भूटान को थ्रैश कर रही हैं
हाँ.
और ये हमारे भाई साहब जाके हार रहे हैं. तो दे कंपेयर इट टू द मेंस. हियर विमेन तो बड़ा अच्छा कर रही हैं, बट एंड ऑफ द डे दे आर बीटिंग ओनली अफगानिस्तान और बांग्लादेश or that which they should. Now, why I think Indian women have a better chance, see, actually it's also the other thing, and women, and it's not just about this, it's about the women all over the world. It's Middle East countries, the women are very suppressed. The men's Middle East teams are beating our fucking ass every single day in football. You understand? So it's not that the women are not good. The women are suppressed. They're not allowed to play and express themselves that much. And that is why, and then African teams, they have no women's teams at all. Very, very low. Why? Because Africa, they can only have the men's team. And same problem with India. They can only support one structure. So we will do well, not only because that we are good, but also because of these factors, that we'll never have competition that much from the Middle East in Asia, and that is what will help us get to the World Cup. One of our biggest factors is हमारे सारी competition in Middle East, say from Kuwait to Oman to all these countries, and obviously yes, don't count Saudi Arabia and all, but all these are the countries who are going to be in the fight for us. So I think we'll reach the World Cup.
क्या prediction है? How many years?
With the women, they should do it by at least 4 years, 5 years before the men. So I think by 30. 34 में तो men कराऊंगा मैं. वो छोड़ो, वो तो होएगा. So probably 4-5 years before that, one World Cup before that, they'll do it on their own. And that will also be because, and in spite and despite of the federation, because they have made the women suffer. They have, the same team which was thrashing everybody has come back and started beating Nepal or beating Bangladesh or losing to them 1-1, 2-2, 2-1. वो होना शुरू हो गया. See, we have to understand that nowadays football, if you win 3-0, 4-0, it could have been a match, it could have been 1-1 as well. It all depends on how the match went.
True.
Okay. And a goal 6 inches this side, that side changes fortune. So your nutrition, your hydration, your mental makeup, your travel, your sleep, your recovery, each give you 1%. And all teams have that percent except India. I had that when I went there. And by the way, none of the European teams had that when they went there. None of them were doing hydration. None of them were doing carbs. None of them was doing carb loading and supplement and all that. None of them was making sure they're sleeping exactly for so many hours. And that's why I beat them. We beat the Europeans. We dominated them. We thrashed them because we did what they are supposed to do when you're professional. I did it with my 14, 15-year-olds. I made them into such beasts that I am confident that they can take on the rest of the world. And by the way, I said that we are going to go and win all 4 before going for the tournament. I said it before. I didn't say it afterwards. I knew what I had done. I knew my training. When you have confidence is when you know when you had. When you're not confident is when you know you're not trained. That's the thing. There were no doubts. So it's just proof to the world that you can actually go ahead and dominate the world or actually be losing to Hong Kong just because of the kind of leadership you have on the top. And I'm not kidding about that one. It's that important. You need to have, when I say leadership, it means the entire ecosystem.
Correct.
It's not just one. My entire ecosystem is, there's no sports psychologist traveling with the team, which there was with Igor at all times. There's no nutritionist there, which there was with Igor. There's no strength and conditioning coach now, which there was with Igor. So the analyst is not there anymore, which was there with FC Goa's analyst was there, Parvez was there all the time. So you have all these things that are missing. Then you don't have with Igor, you still had somebody who could little bit answer back to them. Whereas with Khalid Jamil, there's no chance, even though he doesn't listen to anyone. Okay, but if somebody is telling Igor Stimac what to do, he will obviously tell Khalid Jamil also what to do. Because Igor Stimac never in the Asian Games wanted to play those players he played.
Correct.
Why? Because he was preparing for the under-23s later. And he should have played all under-23s there and he screwed up the entire plans because of, again, one person.
Hmm.
So people don't realize the kind of screw-ups which have happened to make our Indian team look bad. We were actually on the right trajectory with Igor when we had won 3 titles. He needed the maximum support, and that's why actually what happens is, as a coach, your results matter. So when you don't get results, you're going to get fired. But when you get results, you become a cocky bastard and you want to get whatever you can. And that's right. He should, because he's won 3 titles for India. He deserves whatever he wants, and give it to him. And the moment it doesn't do well, fire him. But then that became an ego clash. And because of the ego clash, it has cost India. We've gone back 4 years because this Manolo incident in the middle, now
Terrible.
Khalid coming,
Hmm.
the entire,
How do you rate Khalid?
the best Indian coach for the job at the moment, yes. But more than just the symbolism, for me, is the most important thing. That an Indian is good enough to take over the Indian team. Because if we as Indians don't trust Indians, who the is going to trust Indians? We don't. We trust Nepalis better.
Hmm.
We had Nepali referees in the I League. So what are we telling all our referees? So हमारे खुद के बंदे हमारे को trust नहीं करेंगे, तो कौन करेगा भाई? So why does it have to be the first Premier League player? Why can't it be the first Premier League coach from India? And that's actually much more possible. Why? Because you have a Premier League analyst, you have a Premier League strength and conditioning coach, you have a Premier League Indians, and you have a Premier League this and that, everything around it. But why not coach? Because हमारे खुद के Indians trust नहीं करते. All the World Cups in the world have been won by coaches of their own country. None from a coach from outside. No one looks at that stat, still hires foreigners. You know that? No,
I didn't know
none
that.
of the coaches, all the coaches went from their own countries. None of them are from a foreign country. If anybody's appointed a foreign coach, has never won a World Cup.
Wow.
Okay, India's best results have come from our own coaches. Even India's results. So follow history, follow stats. Again, football is not rocket science. It's everything is shown and proven to you by people who've done it before. Why reinvent the wheel?
रंजीत भाई 2 घंटे ले लिया आपके, लंबा हो गया, but I think like one of the most engaging conversations.
Yeah, man.
And asking you those tough questions wasn't कि मैं आपका supporter या follower नहीं हूँ.
भाई. See, I rather.
पर सुनता हूँ भाई, मुझे बार-बार बुरा भी लगता है, लोग बात करते हैं
अच्छी
तो.
बात है, पूछते हैं, so उनको at least आंसर तो मिलेंगे ना भाई. See, point is, ये इसमें है, घरे बह के मारियां नहीं गल्ला. So that's Sidhu Moosewala song that I don't just sit and talk at home. So have to all the critics and everybody else, go and do what I did, do it better, and then talk. It's simple as that. Simple as that.
Thank you so much. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, my brother.
So guys, if you like this podcast, please consider subscribing to my page. Of course, like करो यार, कुछ comments लिखो, बताओ कि किस और guest को बुलाएं. We are covering all of sports industry, business of sport, administrators, players. बताओ कि किसको बुलाएं. अब ये मत बोलना विराट कोहली को बुलाओ, अभी इतना बड़ा नहीं हुआ podcast, but करो बड़ा फिर.